I tell a story that I never told a soul. My always like to try to raise it to a toll. I'm on me, take control. My enemy, giving everybody my everything and they hold. That's why I gotta make that my machine go. Gotta make that my machine go. Gotta make that my machine go. Gotta make that money machine.
I'm ready.
Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Taco Tuesday, where we talk about currency only at BLK WallStreet Bets YouTube channel. I don't know, I have to work on that, guys. But thank you guys for tuning in. We are here today with Professor Ross Nazi. The floor is yours, brethren.
Yo, we in the building. Scoop, you in the building, OG? I know the brother Scoop probably in here. Usually start out with a market recon, but I wanted to go somewhere. Like I said, I wasn't so ready to jump on camera. My bad, people. Trying to set up stuff in the background and stuff. But don't worry about it, because I got something for the USA. I got something for the USA. Mm-hmm. Man, I don't even got a song to put y'all back to. Like, you know how I usually talk about my songs when I come in. I'm a little lax today, y'all, but thank everybody for supporting, man. I don't know what the hell is going on over here, bro. Yeah, I can't be saved. I'm just about to run something really quick, y'all. But y'all see the market, man, how the market looking. Got ETH down to 119. BTC went down to 29, 28 earlier. And did a nice rebound. The main thing we're trying to look for with BTC is a close above that 31, because you know we were using that 31 as a resistance previously. So to get that close above 31 was a good sign. Still waiting on the 3 o'clock FUD. So right now I'm not 100%
Sold
on what's going on, but where the fuck am I at? Did that mean somewhere?
Where?
Sharing my screen.
Oh yeah. No, actually. You're on YouTube still.
No, I'm supposed to be on YouTube, but you saying I'm sharing the wrong one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, you just changed it now.
You
just removed it? You're not sharing your screen at all, so you should just share that new tab.
Yeah, bro, this is what happened, man. When the brother come in the cast and I'm not ready. But hey.
My next guest says he invested $20 into Rocket Bunny. That is a cryptocurrency. He says he woke up a trillionaire. Christopher Williamson, put him on the screen. That's the man who says he woke up and found himself worth $1 trillion. Christopher, obviously
Yes.
You are not a trillionaire, but can you tell me how much of your $20 in Rocket Bunny you still got left?
Right now, I don't have an answer for that because the accounts have been pretty much frozen and locked out. I think as of this morning, it's still fluctuating in price at like 151 trillion today. So still not sure what's going on, honestly.
That's not a legitimate price for Rocket Bunny now, is it?
No.
Okay.
No, sir.
Was it some kind of typo, do you think, when you read it on your phone?
Like I said, right now, I'm not sure. I've reached out to Coinbase. We're going on 6 days now. Really nothing has came from that.
You're right. I mean, it's possible that Rocket Bunny no longer exists. I mean, I don't know that, and I'm not being pejorative here, but it's entirely possible that there is no longer a crypto called Rocket Bunny. Am I right?
No, Rocket Bunny is very much alive. They've been in touch with me. The developers of Rocket Bunny have pretty much been what has kept me going. Sorry about this, my cat.
That's your cat.
Kept me sane.
Have you bought any other cryptos apart from Rocket Bunny?
I have. I've been purchasing now for, I'm gonna say, around 8 months. So I kind of look at what's new and what the coin is about. Mainly charitable coins, things like that.
All right. How much have you made so far from all your crypto investments?
I'm going to say Doge was my best. That was kind of like the best payment that I had got out of anything so far. Other than, picking up my phone the other morning and seeing the $1 trillion in there. But of course, we all know that something's going on there.
Yeah, I think so too. Now, last one. Have you been hearing from long lost relatives?
Not yet. I've been pretty much keeping to myself here and, talking to close family members and then, you guys, the media.
Yeah, it's all our fault. You're going to be hearing from a lot of people after this, believe me. But Christopher, you're a good sport, and I thank you very much for being on the show. I hope you're worth $1 trillion, but I suspect you're not. And
Yes,
keep us in touch and tell us how you're going. Christopher
Yes, sir.
Williamson, good man. All right.
Hey, you, come here. What if I told you that there's
No,
a way
hell no. Why would this be on there?
higher?
If this could come on, please. Thank you, Empress. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much. Getting that bullshit off my screen. Shout out to you, Black Brother. Ain't nothing about you personally, but that was not supposed to be on my goddamn screen. But we got a lot of trillionaires, and the only way you did that, based on what I'm looking at right here. Let me get out of this nonsense, bro. Cause I gotta bring everything up on my screen. All right, blah, right here. Y'all see this right here? The BTC, E. You see all these real shits? They down. All the real boys down, Scoop.
How you describe the boys?
All the real boys down, G. So think about this, bro. We just played a white boy, said he woke up a trillionaire. He put his money in Rocket Bunny.
Yeah,
Bro. He
grabbed that shit. And he cashed out, turned that bit into you heard me, Tether.
Bro, it ain't no cashing out with this, I guess. And then the thing is, with a lot of these charity coins, I'm not sure if you heard about any of these charity coins. On one of these episodes, we have brought up one of these little charity cases.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so yeah, man, this dude said he really only invests in the charity coins, anyways.
Who was the charity coin? I remember it's a couple of them bad boys. Eat the Max ain't a charity coin. Keep going though, bro.
So I'm about to show you this little clip because I'm gonna bring up a few of them.
$20 into Rocket Bunny. That is a cryptocurrency. He says he woke up a trillionaire. Christopher Williamson, put him on the screen. That's the man who says he woke up and found himself worth $1 trillion. Christopher, obviously
Yes.
you are not a trillionaire, but can you tell me how much of your $20 in Rocket Bunny you still got left?
Right now, I don't have an answer for that because the accounts have been pretty much frozen and locked out. I think as of this morning, it's still fluctuating in price at like 151 trillion today. So still not sure what's going on, honestly. That's
not a legitimate price for Rocket Bunny now, is it?
No.
Okay.
No,
Was it some kind of typo, do you think, when you read it on your phone?
Like I said, right now, I'm not sure. I've reached out to Coinbase. We're going on 6 days now. Really nothing has came from that.
I mean, it's possible that Rocket Bunny no longer exists. I mean, I don't know that, and I'm not being pejorative here, but it's entirely possible that there is no longer a crypto called Rocket Bunny. Am I right?
No, Rocket Bunny is very much alive. They've been in touch with me. The developers.
This motherfucker acting like he chart shit.
Bunny have pretty much been what has kept me going. Sorry about this, man. Cat.
That's your cat.
Kept me sane.
Have you bought any other cryptos apart from Rocket Bunny?
I have. I've been purchasing now for, I'm gonna say, around 8 months. So I kind of look at what's new and what the coin is about. Mainly charitable coins, things like that.
All right. How much have you made so far from all your crypto investments?
I'm going to say Doge was my my best. That was kind of like the best payment that I had got out of anything so far. Other than picking up my phone the other morning and seeing the $1 trillion in there, but. Of course, we all know that something's going on there.
How much you made,
I think so too. Now, last one. Have you been hearing from long lost relatives?
Not yet. I've been pretty much keeping to myself here, and talking to close family members, and then you guys, the media.
Yeah, it's all our fault. You're going to be hearing from a lot of people after this, believe me. But Christopher, you're a good sport, and I thank you very much for being on the show. I hope you're worth $1 trillion, but I suspect you're not. And keep us in touch and tell us how you're going. Christopher Williamson, good man. All right.
So you already hear what's going on, bro. I suspect. Hey, I suspect you're not. I suspect you're not. And with that stupid ass investment, bro. With an investment like that, Scoop, we all suspect he's not. We know something. You feel me? We know something weird happened, and that's why I played that video, because some people will be talking, and they're not really invested, or they invested in something weird, because some people be like, yo, you know what? My portfolio looking amazing today. Oh, you feel me? Oh yeah, I've been going through it, man. Today, it's like, what you mean today? Like, what results you seen? Niggas might be in anything. Bible Pay. That's a token named Bible Pay. That's another charity, bro. There's a bunch of charity bros out there. We got to start our charity, bro. Bro, imagine the fact that we could become trillionaires, bro.
Off of charity.
Yeah, because we're going to have a certain amount of tokens, and then we're going to give out a certain amount of tokens to the community. And all the tokens that come back to us, we're giving a percentage of it to different charities and different black charities. You feel me, bro? You don't think nobody would want to help with something like that?
Bro, that's a great selling point. The scamming nigga. That'd be a great scamming point.
That's how you feel about it?
That'd be a great scamming.
Why are you saying that about my idea, though, to start something for the black people?
So what are we doing? Why are we starting it? Why are we starting it? And what's the benefit? Who's benefiting from it?
The black community. We're just trying to raise some funds
in the U.S.
Hey, matter of fact, worldwide, it's crypto. It's crypto. So the initial investment, I'm gonna have this.
You're gonna see the most short sales you ever seen on the cryptocurrency. That shit gonna be in the negatives by the time you're done with it.
Why? Because I'm black and they don't want to help.
Bro, I seen a post where a girl said, I put $5,000 in the cryptocurrency and I only have $543K. If you don't think these black people is moving at a what do you call it? Capitulating loss. I don't know who is.
Yo, I heard Safe Moon crack 0.0000000 today. I heard
they made it to the billion whatchamacallit?
Yeah, I'm about to say, I tried that. What they're gonna do is give you coins with that in their name. Yeah, see, that's a sneaky one too, Scoop. So like, say like your coin ain't got nothing to do with charity, you can name it like non-charity coin. But nah, put non or like in the middle so people don't really pay attention to it. But charity, no charity coin. Because I'm seeing people do that. People got charity actually in their name. So if you type in charity coins, you feel me? If you one of those brothers and you like, yo, I invest based on charity and you want to find charity coins, then you'll find coins with the name charity in them. And I don't know if that's the best idea. Empress, we got you on the screen. Let me see if got my mouse back. Make sure everybody can see what the hell I'm over here looking at. Empress, can you you might have to switch yourself.
Oh shoot. Okay.
Yeah, just copy. I got you. And okay. So would you be able to arrange it by the biggest loss? Like who had the biggest loss for today? Do it on 24 hours. Oh, all right.
What do you mean, like this?
But either way, I think it should be both. Yeah, that's what I want.
The Elron.
And that's a good token too. Who are down? What's that red boy? That's R. That's not R Weave.
Elron Waves. Wait, this one? Revain.
Okay, forget them. Keep on going down. Let me see what's down there. Kusama. Oh yeah, that's a great pickup. Kusama was just running while everything was down. It was still running because Kusama just got the parachain situation going.
So what? People short selling it.
I'm telling you what happens is what I've been telling people. People want to get too big-headed and think they're bigger than the market, and what they start saying, yo, we really don't even really need Bitcoin now. I'm thinking about it. So you feel me? They start trying to circumnavigate the big daddy. And the thing is, bro, if the big daddy isn't healthy, everybody else that's investing, everybody else that's investing, they start looking at it like, oh snap, they stable, bro, not even stable. Not saying that Bitcoin, you feel me? But like Bitcoin is supposed to be that big bro that everybody say, bro, this is a savings, this is that. So if people start seeing it fall these levels, the weak hands gonna always give. But what I've been seeing is that the smaller people, the people with less than one Bitcoin they've been a lot stronger. They've been being a lot stronger. So I'm not 100% sure. But I feel like what's gonna happen is the more that these weak hands get stronger, is the more L's that we're gonna give these short sellers. We just seen last week with some short sellers losing 443 million or something like that trying to short AMC. You remember the exact number, Empress? I think I screenshotted it.
I want to say 484.
Okay.
Trillion. Nah. Billion. It had to be a B. It couldn't have been an N.
Yo, Scoop, man, Polkadot dropped to $4 randomly. I don't know where that shit dropped, bro. I hate those random drops that you can never find again. You ever see one of those drops?
I see them a lot, bro. I don't see them a lot with shit that I'm in personally. That just fucking, I missed the fucking lowest of the lowest.
I'm talking about the dippity dip.
Fucking lowest of the lowest, bro. I'm like, damn, dog.
If I would have got that one and reached back up here, nigga, I would have been out to play. I would have been up so much.
Come on, bro. I'm glad y'all keep talking about shorting though, because that's some shit that's going on right now.
What you saying?
Y'all see the what the SEC doing or trying to pass? I did pass, I should say.
What you mean? Because I heard that they wasn't doing no regulations as far as the crypto space is considered.
No, not with the crypto space, but with the
inflation space.
Yeah, with the stocks and with the shorting, bro.
What's going on?
But pretty much they're trying to what they're not trying to. What they're doing is they're attacking the institutional. They're attacking the hedge fund investors, bro. So they're going to be checking every damn near minute, every damn near second to see if you actually have enough money to cover your short. And if you don't, it's gonna force you to cover right then and there.
Hey,
Wait, what is it? I'm sorry.
you know something like that is gonna work out for us. Empress, what you were saying? You have it on your board still?
It's the SRNSCC.
The ETC. That's the law. You can't pull it up on the matter of fact. Or give it to me again. Let me type it in while you're sitting. Hold on.
41.35.
41, and it's at 38 right now. So that's a better price point. So I'm just showing you, like, a lot of these stuff even pushed below the previous low that it ran. Look at you. You got. So, hey, what's the law, OG?
SR NSCC 2021 002.
All right, so SRNSCC, all right? 2021 002. Okay. Let me see if I could. All right, Empress, you could run that down though while I'm trying to see if I can find.
Okay, so this is the rank of Bitcoin hodlers. If you have 0 BTC,
and what's a hodler though? Before we even skip past that, because I know I got a lot of regular. I mean, you know, people.
A hodler is a long-term investor.
Okay, so that's like holder.
Yes.
Okay.
Why do they switch it?
Because we are decentralized. We don't like nothing the organization started. So if they started saying hold, we're gonna say hold. That's just how the system working.
Oh man.
Yeah, these boys wild. Even with these names, they wild. That's why I wanted to really bring them up to the community. So when y'all hear these names, y'all don't look like a noob or a novice or something. Where you know these gamers use term around you and they try to do it on purpose just so they can see where you at with it. They try to scam you and stuff. So we just throwing some terminology. PTR. Yo, niggas like doing shit, but it seems like they're more expert than they really are. So shout them out.
Yeah, once you start throwing acronyms out there, they're trying to talk over your head. Okay, so if you have 0 BTC, they consider you a no coiner, which is bones, like you're a skeleton, you're non-existent. If you're a shrimp, if you own 1 Bitcoin or less, you're a shrimp. If you own 1 Bitcoin, you're a crab. Octopus is 10 Bitcoin. If you own 50 Bitcoin, it's a fish. If you own 100 Bitcoin or more, it's a dolphin. 500 Bitcoin or more, it's a shark. 1,000 Bitcoin or more, you're a whale. And then 5,000 Bitcoin or more, you're a humpback.
You're what?
Humpback.
You a humpback, bro.
That's weak. Be a megalodon.
Wait, what is that? How big is that?
What's
that? Is that in the water?
The megalodon?
Yeah.
That's a prehistoric shark. That's one of the biggest sharks. Supposed to be the old school Jaws type of nigga.
And you saying that he was bigger than the that super big squid they always talking about?
Bro, a humpback is just a humpback, bro. He a whale. That's a regular whale. They could at least say a blue whale. At least be the largest whale in the sea.
The other one looks like the one at SeaWorld.
Shamu ass nigga.
Yeah, Shamu regular. He a regular, bro.
What do they call those types of whales?
Those are
orca.
Yeah, orca whales. Yeah. Good shit.
No, it's not even an orca whale.
Nigga, look how we talking on the cast, nigga, about whales and shit. On the cast, you can get niggas talking about whales.
Historic shark's name. Wait, Scoop, how do you know that historic shark's name? Where do you learn that at?
You don't be fucking with the goddamn water sometimes.
Man, I can see Scoop doing busting funny
yeah, Beach
shit.
Boy.
Scoop watch a lot of movies, bro.
I be getting into my shark documentaries sometimes, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you.
You found the law.
The law, yeah. I'm going down there to read it, but this right here is just the comments on it when it started and the different people. So this ain't really super important to me. So I'm gonna go back and I'm trying to find, you feel me? Just a little more info.
I'll read a little portion.
Go ahead.
I'll send it to you too. A provider will be obligated to provide a supplemental liquidity deposit on each business day in which its settlement activity causes a liquidity shortfall at NSCC. NSCC will provide a notice to each provider of the amount of its supplemental liquidity deposit, which the provider will be required to fund within 1 hour of such notice. NSCC proposes to return supplemental liquidity deposit on the next business day.
So what are they saying, that if your leverage people get yanked out, which is money in the air, that doesn't go to affecting the actual national number, right? Because they're saying you're going to have to pay that leverage back. The leverage isn't just disappearing, owed to the individual now. It's like, no, it's you, and we need you to pay that right now. You got one business day to pay that thing up in the air money that you just put into the market.
Proposed daily calculation. That's the daily calculation.
Hey, so within that same breath, that's gonna hurt these people, right? That go on these different sites and get leverage and stuff, because if what Scoop is saying is what they passed, because they already passed it,
you gotta have bigger money.
Yes, and at the end of these days, whatever hedge fund or whatever broker you're with is gonna have to be able to
close your account.
Yeah, because not they necessarily close it, but they gotta have some type of trust. Like it's gonna be a lot more to where they like, yo, how much you got in the account? Yeah, you can't take out leverage. You can't. You feel me? It's gonna be things to where you can't get wiped out no more. You feel me? Because a lot of people that get wiped out, they just get wiped out. They ain't got nothing, and they don't ever make nothing more. It's not like they come back storming back and nigga, I took it back. And
they have an algorithm now where they let them win a couple times and you become addicted.
So they get real sneaky.
Yeah.
Give them a couple wins.
Hey, for reference, I watched that shit on Altcoin Daily. For reference, he broke that shit down real nice. Like,
bro, if you could send that shit to us, matter of fact, I might even just
on IG
pull that video. Yeah, Scoop. If you could send that shit to us on IG or something.
Net income was $100,000. So they're going to be looking for you to file taxes this year. Many of you went and got your taxes done and you didn't put on there that you had a business at all. So that's also going to be another red flag. You went and got $20,000, said you had a business. Now you filed your taxes this year and you don't even have a Schedule C on your taxes. Do you get what I'm saying?
No, they don't get what you're saying, lady.
Saying?
Queen, they don't understand.
At least put the freaking Schedule C on your taxes. If you lied, you have to go through the lie altogether. This is what I'm trying to tell y'all. When you lie and you do fraudulent paperwork like this, and you go do your regular taxes, and then when they audit you, they're going to see you didn't have a Schedule C form on your taxes, but you said you had a business and you got $20,000. Some of y'all got $40,000. Do you get what I'm saying? That's what I'm saying.
So,
but everybody keep talking about this 20K, 20K.
Double reverting.
Most of y'all, if y'all doing these fraudulent loans, y'all not going for less than that. Y'all not getting 10 grand, 5 grand, because y'all listening.
So niggas is going in one way, scooping, coming out another way.
I'm knowing it, bro.
Niggas is showing up, Scoop, with a bunch of shit and leaving with nothing.
I'm knowing, bro.
Imagine that shit though, bro. Like, how do they like, bro? I'm telling you, bro, we be playing some games with these folks, bro. Think about this, bro. I tell you,
understand. You don't even understand.
Go in,
and
bro.
The person who's getting you, who's putting you on these moves, they're not telling you.
They the worst people you saying.
They're not telling you because they probably don't even understand.
Which is why they're risking it so much.
If you're gonna do some shit, bro, do your research, bro. Nobody wants to do the research, bro. It's ways to do everything, bro. You know what I'm saying? These blue collar crimes ain't got no race, bro. But I feel like we go about it the black people way, bro. And that's why we get looked at so negligent when we do shit like this, because we just do it so carelessly. And we don't plan for the blow up. We don't plan. We don't even understand, bro, that she's telling you the basics, bro. Hey, you file taxes as a regular, bro. You went and got bans out of nowhere because you said that you had this business. So where was this business when you file your taxes as a regular working, bro?
Hey, Scoop, they're net. And look, bro, in order to get the money, the 20K, she was saying you had to net 100K. I said that I didn't really want to speak on this till we had Queen T on here, just to speak as a, you feel me, from a tax professional standpoint. But just us listening to this right now, nigga, we can just go off just no. That's why I tell you, bro, with a lot of stuff, bro, you can use your regular reptilian brain, bro, and figure this shit out, bro. That's your logical sense, bro. You ain't got to get super deep and be real. No, bro, you filed one way and now you filing another way, bro. You told me you went and got some free money doing this shit, and now you telling these niggas that you ain't even got no business no more. They tell, bro, first of all, bro, did this nigga that filled your paper out let you know that you needed to be netting 100K? Because if you was netting 100K, bro, it'll make sense to you. But you're not even netting 100K. Why would you even be playing with it like that? Bro, at least tell them you making 50K or something, nigga. Like, I guess the least you say you netting is the least you get. So you might just get 5 bands. And if you get 5 bands, we got to split it up 2-5. And you're like, man, I want at least 5. I need 5 for myself. And some niggas need 10 for themselves because you're not getting the whole 20 Scoop because you know whoever getting the little split or some split. Right. So, man, this shit wild. And then it's even wilder that you the only one that's gonna be in trouble. Brain got nothing to do with this. Be like, bro, I thought you provided me with the, you heard me. Big all the, you heard me right here. You're supposed to got me.
That's what sucks because that just kind of puts another stigma on top of black business being pieces of shitholes. Like, we have to stop this, bro. Like, fucking scammers, bro.
Nah, 100% fact. I'm always explaining. I tell you, even when I'm talking to my friends and I'm like, yo, let's do some long-term investment. They will never take me serious, but they want to come to me and they want to force they goddamn 500 leverage on me. And 1,000, man, they 1,000 leverage on me, nigga. The same scam, bro. We care about doubling up too much, Scoop, bro. Niggas care, bro. Somebody will come to you, Scoop, and take 5%, bro. 5% is good for them, bro, because they understand that they're getting that over a long term. You feel me? A lot of people, bro, they just want to go. I just want to go get 1,000%, bro. Just chill out. Every day, get you a 5% win. Nah, bro, I need to get at least 30-50%, bro. Bro, you seen what Doge did? You seen what this did? Yeah, bro. But you know, if you would have had 2 plays running at the same time, or even just 1 play, you could have made that over the long term, bro, and it would have been way easier and way safer. Niggas don't even put that in the calculation, and that's why I was telling Empress. I was like, look, a nigga just show you the high. It's like, I don't care about the high. When did you sell? Show me your receipt. You feel me, Scoop? Print your receipt out and show me what you made off the trade. Don't show me. Yeah,
bro. You know it ain't easy, man.
Come on, bro. How much time we don't watch a fucking stock run up and be like, damn, bro, we should have sold right there.
Yeah, that's the niggas that they'll be like, I made such and such, I did such and such. Like, well, do it again.
Do it again since you did it before.
You got an algorithm, right?
They don't have an algorithm.
Guessing you goofy, and now you mad because niggas not telling you when to jump out.
I put $20 in the Rocket Bunny. I put $20 into Nugget Track, bro. Look, bro. What else is on here? Look, bro. Look, man. Let me Empress. That's you. Can you go down a little bit? Let me see who all on here. Thor Chain. I'm talking about these all good bros. I'm talking about and these bros so low. They got these motherfuckers so low.
Everybody's so low,
bro. And even low in the sense that Thor Chain, which is a solid bruh, I'm talking about solid. You feel me? The project and everything, and it's 53 in the rankings. Theta Fuel 35.
I'm always watching, bruh.
Hey,
watching, bruh.
If you watching that, you know what you got to watch with that. His big brother run with him every time.
Who that?
I'm about to show it to you right now.
Who that?
I've been fucking with that Nem. Nem do some random stuff. I know. I like the protocol.
Where's Nem?
That number 68.
I had got into the Central Land for a little minute.
G said.
It's a nice little concept.
Yeah, I be going on their website and shit. I like their website, how it look.
Mm-hmm.
So nigga, they kind of win me over with a cool little website.
This is buying virtual goddamn real estate.
I told you, bro, IOTA.
One IOTA. Shit.
Look, Shiv getting smacked.
Shiba.
Crypto.com. How much is that? 371.
I want to see who's gonna be the first brother to zero out.
Bro, I told you, Safe Moon, bro. Hopefully we can find it. Keep on going, Empras. Polka dot at 16. God damn. 32%. Polka dot got to hit the hardest.
Polygon
got hit hard.
That's my personal, bro.
Man, I'm telling you, I'm in Polygon.
Bro, Litecoin was holding strong, bro. What happened? You think John jumped out? Jumped off the porch, bro.
All right, this right here, Scoot, number 17. That's his big brother.
That shit hidden by my camera. Oh shit, theta.
Yeah, you feel me? You run those two boys together.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if it's purposely like that because it's the fuel for it, but them bitches run together every time.
Oh yeah, definitely. But theta fuel be doing a little bit better.
It's smaller.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's smaller.
Better, but hell yeah, that makes sense for them to run at the same time.
Theta is a more secure protocol, which is why it's more expensive. But like I said, Theta Fuel is within the same protocol, so people are like, okay, I understand what Theta Fuel doing too. So, and then even when you go why people are so interested in the penny stock, Scoop, it can go up a couple cents. Like, look, bro, if Bitcoin go up, I seen Bitcoin go up like $700 and something one day, and it
didn't shake nothing.
The percentage was only, I think, like 2.something%. Yeah, 1.7 or something real small, Scoop.
Trust me, I know, bro. Who am I in that's doing that to me right now? I'm in Luna. Luna is doing that to me right now.
Oh, you in Luna too?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I fuck with Luna. Luna got amazing protocol also.
That shit go from 33 cents to 31 cent, nigga. You looking down.
I told you, even right now I'm in Graph. I'm about to jump back in the Graph and start buying. But what I'm doing is I'm waiting on levels, and that, you feel me? That's the main thing I wanted to tell people. Like right now, I want us to kind of just take our time, just a little bit. And the reason why I'm saying that is kind of like with Bitcoin, bro. If it go to these low numbers, I think you should buy it because that's a safe bet of going back up. But what I do with everything else is, even with ETH, if it falls to any too low numbers, I buy it. But what I'm doing is when Bitcoin runs, I know that say if Bitcoin run 10%, the alts are gonna run 20%, 40%, 60%.
Mm-hmm.
That's what the brother Scoop was saying. As far as like the bigger you are, the heavier it is to move you. So you may have went from goddamn a low number to a high number, but the percentage growth was so small based on the weight.
Mm-hmm.
I be seeing these penny stocks, and it's because they go from 0, 0, 0, 0, a bunch of little zeros. So to get them up a little higher, it just takes some momentum. Once the momentum get in there, the percentage just shoots off, and you're like, damn, how did that go so crazy? That's why they tell you about things, they call things gamma squeeze. Once you get to that dollar mark, people start looking to gamma squeezes. So if the stock reached like a $5 point, they'll try to gamma squeeze those stocks. Meaning that you will see them like just squish in like in one day. And something will go up almost 300, almost 3,000%, 4,000%. But with those type of squeeze, they usually jump into a short squeeze. But I told you, Scoop, what Robinhood has been doing is halting these shits every time, bro. Bro, Scoop, I was in a trade, bro, doing so good, but Robinhood looked at me and said, no, halted me, bro, and dropped me down to $5, bro. Bro, the shit got all the way up, Scoop, to 68 or 70 something, bro, from $5, bro. They halted niggas in the trade, bro, and dropped that bitch like a motherfucking hot potato, bro. I'm telling you, bro, it's so hard, and I guess that's why they say have these other brokers and things like that. But man, bro, every time I'm telling you, I told you about Cash App. It's so hard to deal with them because if you start where they think you day trading, I don't know if they think you day trading, so they say, man, we need to watch you, or maybe they missed you last week, where maybe you made one too many trades, and they say, yo, next week we're gonna punish you. I don't know, bro, but I was telling my brother Scoop that it was Monday, and I came in to get out of a trade, and they was like, yo, you feel me? You can't get out of no trade right now. You basically day traded too much type stupid shit. So you gotta watch their ass, bro. But bro, right now, bro, it's a bargain, bro. I'm talking about, bro, Sushi Swap is $7, bro. Binance Coin, bro, is 286, bro. All these shits, bro, was bro. Hey, bro, Binance Coin. Niggas was just looking at Binance Coin to go to a ban. We was just going.
My only thing with that, with the market being so goddamn weird, it has and it hasn't been.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm like, bro, what if this shit got down correct even more?
Oh no, 100%.
What if it correct even more? How long is it gonna be a correction? That's the thing. So if you're gonna get, and I think that's what you get into. If you're gonna get into these shits, you could possibly be waiting a month, 2 months. We don't really know.
Facts.
We don't really know how long you're gonna have to hold. Don't expect this shit to be something that you're gonna be able to flip into something else. You can be holding for a while. So that's the only thing with that shit. And if it does correct even more, it's okay, because if you're investing in shit that is severely undervalued, then you're just gonna win no matter what. You gotta look at what you're investing in and see if it's undervalued right now.
Scoop, but that's the key that people don't understand, bro. If you had a chance to buy something that was once another price, bro, and you knew that it was going back there for sure, you would do it. The thing is, most people don't do it because they're trying to think, can I survive that long? Am I able to survive that long? Hey, and Scoop, that's fair, bro. That's super fair. But look, bro, BTC went to 28, bro. And now it's at 33 and pushing to that 34 and about to push it at 35. You feel me?
Quick.
Every time, Scoop. And look what happened is you say, I'm a wait. And then look, you missed the 28 and then they go to 31 and you say, I'm gonna wait till they pull back to 28. It ain't no pullback right now. The levels are so low that now the big money niggas are moving this because look, bro, within BTC, that's what I'm telling you. Some things could move fast, depends on the price point. It's a lot of these humpbacks or whatever they may call them, and whales and sharks. These brothers right here, bro, when shit go to 28, bro, that ain't no money to them, bro.
Mm-hmm.
It's crabs and shrimps looking for shit to be at 10K. Like me, if BTC go to 10K, I'm like 5K. Damn, I gotta grab me some. But these, you feel me? It's cool.
I would tell you, that's when you take out your PPP. That's when you go grab a quick PPP loan, nigga, and you figure it out. You figure it out when it's time to figure it out.
yo, Scoop, that's the coldest shit. That's the coldest shit you ever said, because I told him on the cast last week. I think I was like, yo, you take that PPP money, because I was talking. I kind of did a little slight review. I was like, yo, if you take the PPP money and you put it into appreciating assets, you can never lose.
You can never lose.
You remember, you take some shit you never had and put it into appreciation, bro.
That's what I'm telling. That was my whole show. I'm like, bro, I'm finna take my 401k out, bro, and I'm finna put it on some shit. I'm finna put it on some shit, bro. And if I want to, I'll just throw it back.
Hey, that's why I was telling you about the Roth. That's why I was telling you about the Roth IRA, because with the Roth IRA, you able to go on Webull, because you know we already on Webull. You able to go on Webull and set it up where you can invest such and such percentage into different things. So you can invest into a real estate investment.
Oh no, fact. And you know what's funny? I did set that up.
So what you playing with?
I did set that up. I gotta reevaluate that shit.
Bruh, check that shit out, nigga. Cause I've been waiting for you to reevaluate the other John, the options, bro. I'm getting colder on the options every day. But I'm not fucking with them because look, you see what's happening to these niggas?
They gang God.
Right.
Bruh,
Drag the hell.
They getting God.
Yo, that's fucked up.
You can get God, bro. That's why, like I
Everybody-
said, that's why people don't play with options like that, bro. And that's why I
Bro.
haven't played with it yet, bro. Because you can get God.
Yo, everybody could get got, bro, and that's why I'm saying, like, I tell you, I figured out an algorithm. I can't look, bro. There's no algorithm for something falling off the map, bro, randomly. so don't come to us and be like, yo, you told us this shit was an uptrend. Yeah, nigga, until niggas took all of their money out. Like, how could you plan for that?
Nigga. That shit decimated. Nah, it's nothing.
But,
Bro,
bro,
you hurt, dog.
I watched BTC go down to the 28. I tracked it in an uptrend. It was at 28. I said, okay, I'm not gonna buy right here because I'm not super confident, and it may do a reversal and go back down. But once it got to 30, matter of fact, if I can show y'all the chart, let me see if I can.
Are you looking at options on crypto?
Man, options on anything that I see, but yeah, options on crypto right now. Would you think that's even wilder?
You know that's even wild. I've been looking at the I get this shit. I mix this shit and NFTs up all the time. ETFs, some of the crypto ETFs they got.
They got crypto ETFs?
They got ETFs, bro.
Bro, they ain't got no
They got crypto
ETFs,
they got crypto ETFs, they got crypto futures, bro.
Bro, they have no crypto ETFs, bro.
Bro, you wildin' if they all got crypto ETFs, bro.
Bro,
You ain't on Qcoin?
Bro. Oh, facts. I'm bullshitting. I was thinking about the stock market. I'm bullshitting.
Nah, but yeah.
Chisholm in the building, man.
Wow.
King Tut.
That was Chisholm that said that shit, or that was you who got on that shit?
That wasn't me. Got on what?
On that King Tut shit.
Oh yeah, that was me because I seen Algo everything in my background.
This guy.
But yeah, you know my boy in here with the Mansa Musa, so everybody in here golded out. Everybody in here living life different, living life on the edge. That brother ain't even talking. He probably, you know how they send people sometimes, Scoot. Set the group up. Oh, he ran?
Damn.
He wasn't talking, then he ran. Empress, you can put me on the screen. Blessings on top of blessings. Blessings on top of blessings. Blessings on top of blessings. What's up?
You're on live.
Oh yeah, people fucking with the blessings on top of blessings. Fuck wrong with them?
You heard how Soulja Boy went down on a live situation? Randomly, nigga. I know y'all seen that shit. They put that shit on Adult Swim.
Soulja Boy is from Atlanta.
All right, so right here, I don't see Empress. How can y'all see it? Empress, can you that's how you looking at me on there?
Babe, can you?
See, y'all probably gotta make me big, but if y'all make me big,
Where's your mouse?
I got my mouse right here.
Oh.
Blessings. You said me a nigga wanna fuck with that damn, bro. See, that's what I'm saying. People negative then, bro. Nah, I'm all the way zoomed in. Oh yeah, on this screen right here, it's never gonna be perfect. You're gonna have to put it on the screen up there for it to be perfect. Perfect.
Can you plug it in?
I never knew that shit, bro. I figured that shit out one day and it made me upset. Yeah, bro. I was trying to one day I was charting some shit, Scoop, and I was wondering why the fuck my chart was so goddamn compressed.
I be hating that shit.
But what it was is go ahead.
Nah, trying to figure out the movements is weird to when you need to drag it right, drag it left, roll your cursor up, roll your cursor down. That shit be fucking me up on Trading View for sure.
I'm about to say, bro. So like, what you? So let me see. Nah, I would say you zoomed in.
No, I just did that.
All right, now zoom in then. You all the way zoom in. All right, move it upwards. No, don't zoom out.
Upwards
move
like
your
this?
chart. Yeah, no, grab the chart, just like press on the chart and move it up. Nah, that's sideways. Upwards.
I can't move it up.
You can't move up or down? Because you didn't just go up. So grab it right now and go upwards. You going down, bro. All right, so you can't go up, bro. So just zoom in. And you say you zoomed in? Yeah, maybe they saying that I'm a fuck nigga and I shouldn't be able to have separate coolness going on.
You want to try mine?
Yeah, if you could do that, that'd be amazing, bro. I don't know why the joint is so squished. I hope it don't look like this tomorrow, bro, because I'm going to cry. Imagine trying to chart your shit tomorrow. Look, it's at 34 right now. Look, I'm telling you, bro, it's going to... Y'all boys playing, bro. We're still waiting on that 3 o'clock, but I'm going to show it to y'all on the chart, bro, to where, like, literally on the chart, I was able to buy in at 28 because I got my algorithm set up so fucking ingenious, Scoop.
Oh, you got in?
I'm just trying, bro. I'm telling you, bro. If you look at this algorithm system, I'm about to show it to you right now, bro. If we can get it to become bigger, bro. Look, Empress ain't even got all the crazy stuff I got, but look, another super trend has started. Is that just recent?
Yeah, 1203.
Bro, another super trend just started, Scoop. You know what that mean, bro?
What an indicator at?
Hold on. I gotta share my screen.
That'd be like the little diamond on that bad boy, Anna.
So, you know these parabolic stars I'm using, which is these circles right here, right?
Right.
The circle's already showing me that it's in an uptrend, but look what happened. It was in an uptrend. Something randomly happened when it went to a downtrend because niggas had puts at 34. Because you see the candle wasn't able to be made at 34. So whoever went to that 34, which was a new high, out.
Hold on, bro. You in compressed mode right now?
Hey, Empress, yeah. Which one do we got on the screen? Because I don't even know. Get back to here. No. Yeah, but I think this is mine, though.
Oh, shoot. Sorry, Scoop.
It's all good. I'm like, damn, these candles all look the same, boy. All right, I'm with you. I'm with you now.
All right. So, Empress, you can zoom in or you all the way in? All right, so you can see this, though.
I'm with you.
All right. This look, we're in a downtrend, Scoop, right? So it's not a good time to buy. So right now you can start shorts. But randomly within this uptrend, a super uptrend started, which makes no sense. So that means that the bulls are fighting so hard that even though we're in a downtrend, it was able to be a super trend started. So that's what I'm saying. So imagine if I was only using the parabolic SARS. That's what I'm saying, Scoop. I'm using multiple situations, bro. Right? Because if I was only using the parabolic SARS, I'd be like, oh, bro, let's start shorting this in a downtrend.
Indicators.
Okay. What you were saying, though?
Indicators.
And what I said?
Situations.
What that mean? What you trying to say? Like,
what all these lines mean are indications of something going on that could either be a buy point or a sell point. So all these lines are called and considered indicators.
But these are situations, though.
You're learning. Yes, they're situations, but you have to be more specific in regards to what the situations are. Hey. But yes, they're situations.
So yeah, but I'm telling them the names of them though. You just heard me tell them that the parabolic stars, and I told them about super trend.
Look at this bad boy. This bad boy is going crazy right now.
What you looking at?
The candle trying to form itself,
bro. Look, bro. It's in a green up. It's in a green super trend. Empress, can you go back and find out when?
These are 1 minute.
When was it in the? See, your fucking chart is fucking stupid. This chart, hey, this is not a chart that I look at, bro.
I was wondering why shit was going crazy.
This is not my chart, y'all. But all right, matter of fact, see, look, I would have told y'all some wrong shit looking at the wrong chart.
It was a minute by minute super trend.
He's not looking at the wrong chart. He was looking at the wrong intervals of time.
What that mean?
Because we're still looking at the BTC chart.
Oh yeah, but a 1 minute BTC chart is the wrong chart, fellas.
Yes.
If I see you on a 1 minute BTC chart, I want to tell you, nigga, go trade you some Dogecoin and get the fuck out of here.
What the old school females said they don't want them.
You feel me?
No,
you feel
1
me?
minute, man.
Yeah, man, I want no minute, man.
How many minutes?
15 minutes at least. So drag me back. Look, Scoop. That's why shit was so confusing on that chart. We seen a super trend and a downtrend. We ain't know what the hell we was looking at.
You're welcome. I figured
Damn.
that out.
You figured that out? I would never have even did that.
Yeah,
so I'm glad you figured that out.
It's moving too fast, and I'm like, oh, Bay hates when shit's moving too fast.
All right, so let's go. Let's go check this out. Babe, why you zooming out like that?
Oh, I don't know how far you want me to go.
No, I want to show people the changeover from the downtrend to the uptrend. Yep.
Okay.
Hold on, no. What time is this? Because this might not even be it.
8:35.
No. Go back, because I've been in the play. Go back. Yeah, go back.
That's what I was doing.
Is it?
Yes.
All right, go back, because I want to show Scoop this shit.
Right here.
What time these is? Go to the red though. We gotta start at the red.
11:35.
The last red. No, the last red to the green, bro. Is literally right there.
Here to what?
No, the last downtrend. The red downtrend. The parabolic SAR.
Mm-hmm.
You see it? You're not on it still.
This one.
This is the parabolic SAR. That's red. You see the red right on top of it?
Oh shit. Yes, that's where I was at.
What?
No, this one, right?
Yes, right.
Okay.
You said that's what you was at? All right, zoom in.
Well, that's where I was going. Okay.
Yo, Scoop. So you see this number right here, bro?
Mm-hmm.
This is where I would have told you to get in at. The reason why I'm not 100. See, Empress got man.
Wait, because that's what I'm saying, babe. These times don't make sense. What are you saying? This is from June. So June yesterday at 10:50.
What you mean June yesterday?
Is that the time frame that you want?
Yes, man.
Okay.
I want literally the beginning of the day that we just passed. The Taco Tuesday day. I want the beginning of Taco Tuesday, nigga.
Okay, so 10:50 a.m. Okay.
Nah, it should be 9 something, nigga. So we started in a downtrend.
Well, then I need to go back some.
Yeah, but it ain't really that relevant. But you can just go back just to show it.
What, 9:30? 9:20?
Yeah, but all right. So, anyways, you see the parabolic SARs on the John, right?
Mm-hmm.
And like I said, on my John, I use a couple more indicators, but nevertheless, this ain't gonna take nothing away from the folks. So, Blau, if y'all see the situation that I'm going through, everything is red. It's showing me that it's in a downtrend, even though that there's greens being made on different things. It's nothing that says buy, right?
Mm-hmm.
And because it's in a downtrend right here with these red on top, I'm not buying. Once the red on top switches to the green on bottom, it's now in a uptrend.
Which means buy?
Which means it's time to look to buy, right? I wouldn't buy because my down is still above my up if I'm looking at the Arun. This is another indicator that I'm looking at, which shows momentum, right? So if I'm looking at my Arun and I see that my down is higher than my up, I still don't think it's a good buy, but I'm seeing that one of my indicators say, yo, T, maybe you should buy. So depends on how I feel at the moment, or if you feel me? Depends on how trusted this indicator is with whatever situation I put it in. Mm-hmm. Then I might say, all right, let me rock with this. Sometimes if you use this indicator with stocks, it may not work. Sometimes when you use this, go ahead.
You're saying the UOS, what is that? EOS? I don't know.
I'm not looking at that. I'm looking at my Arun.
Okay, so Arun, but both of those are momentum measurements.
Mm-hmm,
and you're saying the orange is the up, well, the down, and the blue is the up.
This gold color right here?
Yes, gold.
Yeah.
You're saying that's the down. So you're saying down's on top right now, which means not a good buy point.
Not a good buy.
Okay, and once blue goes on top, that's when you are for sure in a good buying position, because that means the up is at 100.
No,
The
still
up is
not.
at 0.
Still not. No. Nothing confirms the up is at nothing. So just because the blue is over the gold, it's not gonna be at 100.
Okay.
Yeah. You see?
Mm-hmm.
It's at 100 to 50.
Mm.
You can, like I said, you can use something where you say 70-30. So if you're using 70-30 and it's at 150, that's still a buy point technically.
Mm-hmm. The
You
best
feel me?
buy point is 100-0.
100 to 0. That's what I use. So I wouldn't buy at this point, but because I seen Bitcoin go to 28, and because the history of Bitcoin that I've gathered, I already know how Bitcoin moves. I'm like, it's not gonna go too low, below 28. Mm-hmm. So maybe this will confirm a buy for me just because I see that's in an uptrend. Mm-hmm. And look what happens, Scoop, if I believe or if I trust in myself and I jump in early. If I jump in early, Scoop, I'm able to get in 2 dots before the super trend starts. You see it?
What is that? 28.7.
The super trend starts at that 30. This green boy, that's where I would have bought for the super trend. For this number, I would have bought at 28.7.
That's a good buy point.
Boom. So I would have bought at 28.7, and the super trend would have said, yo, T, at 30, let's go. Right, Scoop? So
let's go what though? What you saying?
Let's go to the moon. Cause look, right. I bought at 30. We at 34 now. So now
you bought at 28.
Yeah, I bought at 28
and
with the I bought at 28 looking at the parabolic SAR, which was showing me an uptrend. And at 30, they confirmed that I was in an uptrend by showing me a super trend.
Which is the arrow.
You feel me? So once this arrow get here, now I'm in a super trend. You see the arrow?
Or triangle.
Wow. So once what line is this? Oh yeah, that's my line. Yeah, that's my line. So blah. Once that starts, nigga, once I'm in a super trend, bro, I go from 30 and now I'm at 32. You feel me? And look, I set a new high right here at 32. Blah. And then look, I keep on going up. I'm still in the green, bro. I'm still in the green. They're still telling me, yo, it's an uptrend.
Don't sell.
Scoop, even though when I went up to Empress, what is that high that I just reached?
33,324.
So I went to 33
from 28.
And people started taking their money out, Scoop. And now I started seeing red candles. Imagine if I was just looking at the candles, Scoop, I would have probably jumped out. These are all red, but because I got the parabolic SAR, and I'm like, hold on, why the parabolic SAR say I'm still in the uptrend? Why do my super trend say I'm still in a super trend?
Because it's calculating something else.
Why? Down
Candles
here,
are just calculating purchases.
You feel me? Down here, my Arun say I'm at 78 to 0. I love when down is at 0, Scoop. So when down is at 0 and I'm above 70, I'm confident. Like I said, I love buying 100 to 0. But bruh, if I got down at 0, Scoop, and I'm at 70 plus, bro, I know for sure he can't jump back up that fast.
Right.
So I can guarantee that I'm in a trend that's going to make me some money for a short period of time. So maybe it might be for 30 minutes, maybe it might be for an hour, maybe it might be for 4 hours. I don't know, but I know that I'm watching this thing. So Blau, Scoop, it's still in the green uptrend. Just watch it. I'm telling you, you can track this, even though like right here, you see your Arun, and this is what I'm telling you. If you're trading it, Empress, can you tell me what number this is that I'm on right now? The gray.
32,148.
All right, so 32,148, and I just came from what you told me this high was 33, right?
Yes, 33,324.
Okay, so I'm still in the up, but now they showing me these greens, and now if I'm using the Arun, I'm like, man, it's coming to the end because the Arun said it's only 35. So now my up is only at 35, Scoop. My down is still at 0, so I'm still confident in my down not fighting back, but it's at 35.
Up is below 70.
Okay, wow. And then you keep on going, and you see right here that, look, I told you that I want to be above 70, right, Empress? look, I'm no longer above 70 at this point.
So now it's a possible sell point.
You feel me? But I'm still riding it. Look, even back here, I would have possibly sold because no, this is 92 to 0. So I would have stayed in that for sure.
And 70 just some shit you came up with based upon your practicing.
100 is what I came up with based on my practicing. They kind of have the numbers set out at 70-30, right?
Mm-hmm.
I've used 70-30, and at 70-30 isn't a confirmed buy.
Okay.
Right. So sometimes it may work and get you in a little earlier than I will get you in at 100-0. But a lot of the times, or more than half the times, you would buy in at that 70-30 and you will get flipped to where the exact next candle or next two candles become red. So you just got into play really just to get back out at your stop loss.
Possibly because someone like on a 5-minute chart is short selling a little bit faster. So yeah, that one definitely is a lower percentage of accuracy.
And what they call they call them fake signals. It's different terms that people may use, but it's just a fake out.
Yeah, the 0-100 is as accurate as possible. It's always going to be the closest to the best buying point. 30-70, if you're just trying to hurry up and get in and get out, you can play with it, but it's not accurate.
It's a smaller percentage growth, and like I said, you just put your stop loss at at where you bought in technically, or just like a cent or two below that. You feel me? You don't want to be too crazy.
So boom, you're at 28. It's at 31 right here, and now it's about to go under or flip over there on the room.
Yeah, right now I'm not super confident, and look, it just keep on falling. I'm like, all right, so look, we falling. And then I come all the way down here and I get flipped. But I can still choose to stay in because I got in at 20.
Price right there?
I got in at 28. So I can still choose to stay in. What is this? 32.2?
275, yeah.
All right, so it went up still. All right, so like I said, now the flipping and happening. And the up is at 14, but the down is at 100. So I'm like, damn, I need to get out to play. The reason why I will get out to play is if I'm day trading this. And when I say day trading, I'm talking about if I'm just bullshitting, because as you're gonna notice,
day trade Bitcoin.
But as you're gonna notice, look, you start at 33, right? The first time they told you to get out this play, look, you got right here. It went all the way up to this 33, and they say, yo, get out. We done now, right? And then now you start seeing these. Mind you, the super trend didn't start. So now you're still in a super trend for uptrend. So even though your parabolic SARS is saying, T, you in a downtrend, my super trend is saying, yo, chill out. Chill out. What's the benefit of that? Because like I said, they told you to get out at 33. What is it at right now? It's back at 33, right?
Yes.
But it went up to 34. So you would have been able to get more percentage.
Right.
But they did tell you that it was in this downtrend. And then look, you would have got back out at what number that is? What low it went to touch? 31?
31 was the low.
You feel me?
31.7.
And then you would have got back in right around here, 31.6.
You taking L's, brother.
And then look, you feel me? So you sold out at your 28 buy point. You made some money, so I can't knock you. But now you're gonna have to buy back in at what? This is 32. What does green number say?
That has to be 32 because that low is 31.7, which is super high. So I can easily see it being 32. But where are you?
This green is highlighted over there.
Oh, 32.4.
All right, so now it's at 32.4 OG. That's where you would have bought back in just because you're trying to trade in and out of shit. It might not be bad though, Scoop, because say you put your money in, you put 6 or 7 bands in at 28, and you rolled that 28 to 33 or 32, and you got out to play, and then it fell to the 31, and then you jump back in at what, the 32. You feel me? You had a better buy point, but I guess you feel me, you could still finagle something. But like I said, you're still in a super trend in the upwards. So I still wouldn't sell based on me knowing the chart. So Blau, the reason why I'm saying that is because look, once you get this reversal, it goes back to test new highs. Remember that the previous high scoop was 33.7 or something like that, OG. Now, what's this new high, Empress? If you could read it for me 1 second.
34.4.
So now the new high is 34.4, Scoop. You feel me? So like, if you seeing how it's moving, bro, and look, now I got these parabolic stars, OG, and they're still now. Look, now the parabolic stars that would just show me that I was in a downtrend just flipped back into an uptrend. You feel me, bro?
Mm-hmm.
But mind you, that I was telling you that the way that we're gonna do it is once we see that we're in a super trend, like look, confirmation being once we see that we switch over from a month, like we're watching the parabolic stars in the downtrend. Once we flip over and the parabolic stars start going in the uptrend, we say, okay, let's start looking at the chart, bro. Once that super trend comes, we say, okay, nigga, we are in the ball game because we bought at 28 or whatever low point, and now they telling us the super trend has just started. The only way a confirmed sell comes, Scoop, unless you are just a random nigga that just like to trade and just do whatever. But the only way a confirmed sell come, bro, is if you see a super trend down, right, and you see the parabolic SAR down. That's the
parabolic SAR are the circles.
Yeah. So if an only way you confirm sell. So that don't mean that. So we, like I said, we just seen the parabolic stars in a downtrend, but the super trend was still green. We're not getting out because we got in when both were confirmed green. So the only way we getting out is if both were confirmed red.
Right.
You feel me? And that's just how I like to play it, just so I can get the most bang for my buck.
Buy in the same thing, both red.
In what sense? Yeah.
You buy in when the
lowest
red and the SAR is red,
and
then you sell when that don't sound good.
What you said?
To sell when the super trend is red, that means you're selling at the lowest point.
Yeah, that's the thing. You're not waiting for the super trend as much as red. All right, so blam. I'm glad you brought that up because I had a solution for that. But like I said, I would still use that as a new investor just to be secure. You feel me? Because only thing you will lose is a couple extra dollars that you was gonna get if you would have sold at the green before that.
When it hits 34, the super trend is up, obviously, and then
the super trend been up this whole time since this morning.
Yeah, so you just have to make a decision on when you're going to exit.
Yeah, and
there's no real indicator.
And I told you not to exit because you're still in a super trend. That's what I'm saying.
I see what you're saying.
If you use 2 confirmations to get in, you got to use at least 2 confirmations to get out.
Okay.
So you can use the Arun. Maybe you like, yo, T, well, maybe I'm just going to use the Arun.
And it's getting closer and closer to
flipping. The Arun right now says that the up is at 50. So now I say, okay, let me see what that means. The up started at 100 and down started at 28. And then now I'm seeing that up got flipped. So maybe I may want to sell at this point. That's what I'm saying. Maybe you may sell at
33.
Whatever this number was, right?
33.9.
So even maybe you may sell at 33 because maybe you feel like this right now we're gonna go into a downtrend because look, it's about to be a crossover, right? And then like now the down is about to be up and up is about to be down.
So is the SARS gonna flip or no?
See, that's what I'm saying. That'll be another confirmation. But the SARS has to wait for the candle to be made. So you could be using the Arun right now. You feel me? Or you could be using your RSI right now because your RSI is saying, yo, it's kind of overbought. You feel me? So for sure, even if it is in the uptrend right now, Scoop, you wouldn't buy right now, OG.
You'll potentially sell because it's higher than.
I wouldn't sell. It's in a super trend. You're not selling shit.
Oh, okay.
You're not selling nothing.
Red super trend.
Yeah, we're not selling nothing as long as our super trend is in green. But like I said, they can sell if they use their parabolic SAR.
You're saying there's a way that the SARS could be. Yeah. Okay. So if it's a short term downtrend. The stars would be red,
Mhm.
but super trend is still
green.
averaging out to be an uptrend.
Because it's still in the super trend. If you look at all the people
and the
that's
reason
putting
why
in,
it's still in the super trend is because
the momentum.
they've averaged out the candles, and they're like, bro, our average is still above this. Our average is still above this. All right.
Over the such and such equation, I pull that up on another cast just to kind of show that. But like I said, I don't want to get too chart heavy, but I'm just showing y'all that look, even it was a couple seconds ago. You can put I got you. Even a couple seconds ago, Scoop, I wish you would have seen this candle. You see this candle right here? The last candle right here was being babe, this not me. This shit ugly as hell. Damn, look, niggas laughing at me. Niggas see that I'm squished. Niggas see a nigga squished out here, Scoop. All right, Scoop. But you see this last candle right here that's now green?
For sure.
That candle was just red and going downwards. But because you're still in the uptrend, looking at your parabolic chart,
about that.
You don't get faked out, bro. And that's what I keep on telling these people. The more motherfucking indicators that we're using, like I said, the Arun is still showing you though, T. It may be a good time to get out, but like I said, we don't know. So it's however you finagle it. But for sure, I can
you
tell
you don't like when them hoes come together.
Hell no, that ain't, you feel me? Look, bro, nothing
about that.
Nothing is positive. Look, bro, what I'm telling you about nothing in this chart say buy, because look, but it do say stay in the play, but nothing say buy because this, my RSI, bro, is at the top. So that means people been buying too much. But I just lied. My stochastic, my K is saying that it is oversold at this exact point, which is why it's turning back green. Because I guess maybe people may be recognizing this right here, because the blue on the stochastic is now under that goal. Now the Arun, it looked like this blue at the Arun might be flipping back over the down. But like I said, if you see the UOS and the RSI, these are both saying that maybe you don't want to buy right now. But if you're in the play, these are all telling you that you want to stay in the play right now. You feel me? So if we're looking at this chart, I bet if we come back to this candle, this it's going to end up going to 34 or something like that. Like right now we at 33.9. That's it, 9 or 8.96. All right. So we're going to see the next candle to be made. But like I said, right now it's not a buy point. So maybe it might be a pullback. I'm looking for a pullback because it's overbought. It's overbought. So you feel me? I wouldn't really see a reason for why somebody would stay in this play and continuously, you feel me, continuously buy. But hey, what do we know? It's really, and look, it's really no momentum. The momentum is like even killed out. That's that UOS one that I got right there. It's just super, just straight line almost. It kind of lost a little momentum and it just got back on a straight line path. So like I said, all these signs are showing you, yo, if you in the play, bro, stay in the play. You feel me? Nothing is showing like really a down. Look, Empress, look, and it's a lot of other ones that I have on mine that Empress don't have. I use another one, ATR. ATR, they use ATR a lot for Forex. I found a way to use it for stocks and crypto. I'm telling you, like, I've rigged up so much little things, bro, that once we're done with this, bro, I'm telling you, bro, our little trading school and little stuff that we create over here at Black WallStreet Bets, it ain't gonna be no comparison, bro. It's because I'm telling you, bro, we are trading in this market, and like I said, we're not traders, we're investors, bro. So what we're doing is we're just trying to show people ways to make money, because we understand being an investor, you gotta be able to, you feel me? You gotta be able to generate revenue. So I don't want to be like I'm above the law and I'm like, yo, you ain't gotta worry about no money, bro. Just, you feel me, Scoop?
Facts.
God, I know a lot of people might try to push that narrative, bro. And like, I don't know if you've been watching a lot of these channels, even the channel that I watch. I guess the brother, he did a joke today, but he was talking about how to survive the bear market. And I was telling Empress nigga how that brother went on there, nigga, filled out an application.
For
He filled out the applications.
Hey,
it's good.
Bit Boy had a little nigga sing on that bit.
What you mean?
He had a little shit where bro came with a little piano, and he was just pretty much singing about the charts and singing about it was a creative spin on some informational news. It was funny.
What are you saying about the charts? The charts looking shitty.
Nah, yeah, he was just pretty much giving a rundown. Maybe it'll go here, nigga. Maybe it'll go there. Hope it'll stay here, nigga.
That brother out his mind, bro.
Nah, it was dope, though. It was dope.
Yeah, but yeah, based on what we seeing in the charts, bro. Right now, what I'm looking at, we don't predict anything. We kind of wait for candles to be made. But based on us holding this 32 level, we're looking at 35 next. If we're able to cross over that 35, so by the end of this week, we should be back at 40. We should be able to test those 40 levels again. And what today is Wednesday basically now. So we got a couple days, Scoop, and you feel me? We should be back testing those levels. You feel me? Just to get some more sanity back in right now, because right now a lot of people is disheveled. They don't know if they coming or going, bro.
China fucking them up,
bro. China, hey, Scoop. Think about how fly that is, though. Cause I came on here to one podcast and I was telling y'all that people got this one FUD where they say maybe China. Because even Empress got some FUD. But they say maybe China is stealing your money. This Empress FUD.
Damn.
Empress is saying that maybe we putting our money in to be taken out by the Chinese people every time.
AAIP members are getting their reparations as we speak.
So every time we look at the market, Scoop, and the market took these big hits and shit.
It's after 3:00.
You're saying there's a bunch of Asians, bro, taking the money, bro.
Hey,
what you think, bro?
I hear you, bro. I really I can't call it with them, bro. I can't call it with them. I like what they're doing though, because like everybody been saying, bro, we taking the goddamn miners out of China, getting rid of that dirty energy.
Love it.
You heard me?
Hey, I don't like the fact that dirty energy came from Mongolia. That seemed like it'd be some dark skinned Chinese people over there in Mongolia, right? What you think?
The Mongolians.
Mongolians? You don't feel like they dark?
No, the Mongolians that's them niggas though.
That's what I'm telling you, bro.
Not necessarily that's them niggas. But damn, who was the Mongolians? They was wrecking shit.
But they poor right now, bro, and they use coal still. I'm guessing.
Damn.
Yeah, they still use coal, so they getting shut down, nigga. Those niggas you talking about, bro. I don't know what's going on with Chisholm shit, bro. If you able to call that brother, bro, on the cast, bro, because he probably want to speak on something, bro. I don't know, bro. I don't know if you got nothing free, man, bro. I seen what you been doing to sir.
Bruh, no. That's Sir did that to himself, bro. Had nothing to do with that, bro.
Bro, we would know nothing about it if it wasn't for you.
No, I put it on my close friends though.
I seen that. hey, but Sir took it and just shared it.
Listen,
bro. He reposted that bit.
Mm-hmm.
Bro, listen, bro. It was way worse than that, bro.
What you,
bro? The man came in the house, bro. He went and laid down, right. This man almost gave me a heart attack. The man get up, right? The man called me the man don't call me Mike no more. He called me Scoop all the time now. He Mike, bro. Mike, bro. I feel dizzy, bro. Bro, I'm big brother. Bro, what's wrong, bro? And then he just said, Mike. I'm like, bro, lay down. What's wrong, bro? I'm thinking the man is finna, bro. I'm telling Reek, man, call 911, man. I don't know, because he got asthma. But he don't be having asthma attacks like that. But I'm thinking that he may be having an asthma attack.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm like, bro, sit down. I grab the pump right there. I throw the pump at him. He take the pump, then he throw the pump. So I'm like, bro, I'm gonna call now. He like, bro, no. I'm like, bro, all right, bro, I'm calling mom, bro. You feel me? I'm calling mom, bro. He like, don't call mom, bro. I'm like, hold on, bro. He don't want me to call mom. Yeah, I'm gonna ask him to. He don't want me to call mom. I said, bro, you smoke, bro? I said, bro, did you smoke, bro? He said, yes, bro. All right, I smoke, bro. I'm like, bro, you're high, bro. Just chill, bro. He like, bro, for real, that's what it is? I'm like, yes, bro. You hiding a kite, bro. The man, bro, listen, the man smoked for his first time. He smoked 2 blunts. This is for, and you know how you think you smoke, but you don't smoke. So this is first time actually inhaling, and he had 2 blunts. And he didn't know what to do with himself.
I'm telling you, bro.
I think we suffer from the same thing.
Bro, that's gonna always happen. That's always the first how I tell you. That's why, as a parent, I think that if you smoke and you do anything, matter of fact, I heard cool parents make nerdy youths. I'm be as cool as I could possibly be, bro. I want my kids to be square bobs.
Mm-hmm.
I don't, you feel me? I don't want them to try to be cooler than me because they think I'm lame.
Right.
You feel me? I want me to be so cool. They like, man, I ain't none of that cool shit that on, bro. All that, you feel me? All that, none of that. I want them just to be, because that's what's gonna happen, bro. Because they're gonna want to go around their friends to experience shit. Cause bro, he could have really just came around you and be like, man, bro, I don't know what's going on with me, bro. What I'm thinking, I might want to just hit me a little spliffy diff.
He had to be hot at. He's like, bro. So is it okay if from now on if I hit it a couple times with you?
Bro,
like, yeah, bro, you can, yeah, bro.
Bro, a nigga could have laced him, bro.
I know. I told him all that. And I talked to the niggas he smoked with because they live right down the street.
All right, so
I know these niggas, and I know we know their dad. Like we know these kids, bro. But I told them, I had them in the backyard, like, bro, make sure, bro, that y'all don't never try nothing else. I told my brother, bro, you see how high you is, bro? That's all you will ever need, bro. You will never need to be higher than this, bro. Trust me, bro. It's never no need to be higher than what you is right now, bro.
See, I'm glad you told him that. You know, a lot of people chase highs because you know that high right there ain't gonna come back in the sense of unless he you feel me, take some time away from it. So you're gonna have to even let him know that, like, bro, your tolerance is growing. You're just gonna have to, you feel me, you're gonna have to use it different now. It's more meditative. That first experience, I wish you would have came to me and you would have been able to conceal that and, you feel me, use that shit creatively, but you already wasted it, bro. So now everything now is meditative.
Cussing his ass off. He don't cuss around me, bro.
Bro, I seen him, bro.
He don't listen, bro. When I say he don't cuss around me at all, bro, he don't cuss. And it's never like I said, you don't cuss around me, but it's just like I'm his big brother. So I guess that's how he give it up. That nigga went to cussing his ass off. I'm like, bro, funny. Like, bro, it's okay if I cuss, bro. I'm like, bro, you good, bro. You can always. It was never a problem, but I just never seen you do it before, so it's kind of funny, nigga. Yeah,
yo,
but
that nigga say, yeah, you cuss, ain't it? So yeah, let his ass know.
Yeah, man. Shout out to my little brother. He gonna be with me this summer, so I'm gonna make sure he's straight, man.
Man, you gotta do that, bro, because man, I'm telling you, bro. I'm telling you that first, even he went live, bro.
He went live. He cut it off. He saved it.
He went live digging boogers.
He was right there in the back, nigga, and you said something.
I told him to turn it off. I told him to get out his nose. That's what I said.
Yeah, you said something, man. He turned it off, nigga. I don't know if you told him that he's tripping or something, bro. But
he had no control.
Scoop, like, no, he grabbed that home with the like, yeah, in my nose.
Listen, bro. That nigga was talking so fast, bro.
Oh, he don't know her name.
Listen, and you know he stuttered too, but he was running that shit out. He was running that shit down, bro.
Hey, they say that's what if you listen to the brother Paul Stammers, he tell you that he used to be a crazy stutterer. I'm talking about he couldn't say one word without and bro say one day, nigga, he took a mushroom. He had a mushroom trip and went up in the tree. And while he was up in the tree, a thunderstorm started. And he just said he stayed up there, nigga, and just held on. And I guess he said while doing that, he practiced some shit, nigga, and tried to figure out how to get out his fears or whatever the situation was. He said the next day, nigga, and every day forward, he hasn't ever stuttered. Hey, he went a level wilder than that. He said he could never tan. He said he was never able to tan, OG.
You gonna get a tan,
nigga? He was a white dude. He was never able to tan.
Mm-hmm.
He said he took.
What happened? He'll burn himself to death.
He always burn up and just turn super red. Just he'll never tan. You feel me? Just always get red spots.
That shit funny struggle.
The man said, bro, he took the mushroom and was able to sit out there and tan.
Now he the bronze bandit.
No, bro. Now to this day, bro, he pushes mushroom on everybody, bro.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, bro. Reishi mushroom, lion's mane mushroom, turkey tail mushroom. It's mushrooms until your nose fall off. It's mushrooms that taste like chicken. It's plazas at the doors.
Nigga saw the baby and Adam 22 did mushrooms live, nigga.
What you mean?
They did mushrooms on the interview.
Joe Rogan and Post Malone. That's what they was on. I think they was on shrooms.
Yeah, I thought they was ready for it though. This nigga saw the baby went through it. This nigga saw the baby went crazy.
Oh, but he don't know nothing about the shrooms really like that.
I guess he ain't know nothing about these ones. Guess he ain't know about these, nigga.
You gotta stay away from that nigga. Scoot that nigga because he ain't know about these ones. These are special ones. Hit his ass.
Come on, man.
Hit his ass with a left
hook. This is the one from Soul Plane.
Hit his ass with a left hook from hell. From hell.
Do you get what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
That's what I'm saying. But everybody keep talking about this 20K. Most of y'all, if y'all doing these fraudulent loans, y'all not going for less than that. Y'all not getting 10 grand, 5 grand, because y'all listening to these people tell y'all, I could get you 20K. So that's what you're getting. You may clear 10 grand, but dude applied for 20 for you. I don't care. He gave you 10 grand out his pocket, or he gave you 10 grand, but on your application, boo, it say 20. Because you gave 10 to the person who did your application, or you did 5 to the person who did your application, and you walked away with 15,000. You walked away with 15,000. They got 5,000. They put 20,000 on your application to get you 20. But in order to get you 20,000, they had to say that you made $100,000. Do you get what I'm saying? So they're not going to tell you that. No, some don't get it, and they're not going to get it until the feds come knocking. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Even if you still on here, and I didn't explain this in layman terms, if you still don't get it at this point, I'm sorry, you a little slow. I'm just going to say that. You a little slow, and it's okay. So slow money don't make no money, but slow money also go to jail. All right? So I've been telling y'all for over 3 months. I've been telling y'all this since PPP came out last year. All right, but I'm
gonna need the insight as a rapper, bro. Slow money. What she said? Run that back.
Yeah, because she lost me. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't know if she meant to say that. Or maybe she did.
I've been telling y'all for over 3 months. I've been telling y'all this since people money don't till the feds come knocking. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Even if you still on here, and I didn't explain this in layman terms, if you still don't get it at this point, I'm sorry, you a little slow. I'm just gonna say that. You a little slow and it's okay. So slow money don't make no money, but slow money also go to jail.
Because you slow as hell.
That's how you took it.
That, bro, I gotta take it that way because anything else don't make sense.
Like, what did I?
Because scary money don't make no money.
I thought the whole point was to make the money slow.
That's what I'm saying. Scary money don't make no money. That's the term. But what she's saying is, nigga, slow money don't make no money. Because you slow as hell. You slow as hell and you trying to make money.
So by the time you make money, get out. Oh, you slow.
Or maybe she's saying slow money don't make no money. But also, if you slow as hell, you're gonna go to jail.
So what you mean slow, like in foot speed?
Slow as in brain stimulation.
Yeah, okay. So that's where I took it to make it make sense for her.
I understand the second half. The first half, I'm still a little iffy on.
Nigga, I was confused with the second half. Slow money go to jail. I'm just trying to make the money slow so they don't take me to jail.
I'm just trying to be. I'm working a 9 to 5, making the slowest money I can make. Man.
I'm talking about as slow as a snail. I would never reach $1 million, bro.
You telling me?
So what money?
I'm out of here.
Fast?
That's what I was trying to figure out. Like, when I'm supposed to speed the money up, where I'm supposed to get the money from? Like, what just happened in the sense of like
moderation money?
Moderate speed money.
Somebody got to break me down.
What they call it? Cruise control.
Cruise control money.
I've been telling y'all for over 3 months. I've been telling y'all this since PPP came out last year.
Mm-hmm.
All right, but I've really been talking to y'all this year, 2021, because I knew more money was coming because I read the freaking tax law. Okay, I already knew what was coming, which is why I was getting on here in December telling y'all. I started this rant in December before the money hit. I told y'all, don't get out here and be stupid. Don't get out here and let Pookie and them run it up on you, and then you're gonna be the ones that end up in jail.
Bruh, Pookie and Lil Ray do everything in the black community.
Bro, they be fucking up Pook, bro.
Bro, Pookie and Ray, bro.
They Pookie just got out, bro. That's fucked up.
That's fucked up. Cause my dog Pookie never even went to jail. He was a basketball player.
Nigga, Pookie, Aunt Pookie just got out, bro. Damn. He already wrapped up in some shit.
Man, you bro. Yeah, Ray just got out not too long ago too. I know little brother named Ray.
This nigga Ray got hit by a remote control car. broke his fucking leg on live.
What?
Bro, I didn't show you the video, bro.
Pull it up.
Man, I gotta find.
Listen, hold on, bro. Who is Ray? Ray that we know?
Ray, nigga. Yes, bro. So he's recording this video of a bro with one of them gas remote control cars, bro. I guess he said, bro, spin that bitch back right. He said, bro, hold on, I'm finna catch it. This is what he say on the video. All you see is the car come through him. Beep, and the video cut off. Next video, he in the back of the ambulance. He like, God damn, bro. I'm broke my shin.
No.
Bro, I don't think I shared it with you because Swab was coming down and I knew Swab would find it hysterical, nigga, because this is his main man who he was just finna pull up on.
Man, I don't like the way you did that, bro, because you just put me in a bad spot when I was about to say something.
Damn.
Y'all was telling me about the bro. The bro got hit by the whip. Yeah, he got weak bones, right, Scoop?
Yes.
He broke his bones with
yes.
Machine gun Kingley.
Yeah. You wasn't even there for that shit.
I wasn't there. I don't know nothing about it. Which I
got a perfect picture, perfect image of how that shit happened, dog.
He was right there.
That was the fastest bone break I ever saw.
What do you feel like happened? Because he wasn't using the Vertimax. I'm always blaming it on the Vertimax. Everybody getting hurt.
Bro, I don't know what happened, bro. It was just the funniest sequence of events, bro. And then nigga just fucking ended up with some fucked up legs.
But you saying the person with the legs was actually winning the thump?
Yeah.
But a nigga fucked around and stepped on them long ass
And I ain't gonna say that he was, but because you gotta think, bro. He came out that bit super confident and super long. He came out that bit like that, bro. Tommy nigga said something, bro. He said, bro, y'all watch out, bro. This is a snake ass nigga, bro. Bro, I said, hold on, bro. Who you talking to, bro? Push the double doors open. They outside. He came and ran out that bit damn near, bro. Slinky as fuck. And the other bro had just got done hooping. So he beam. He giving it to him. And then that shit just boom. I said, damn.
And like what? He had to stop.
What, bro? He was on the floor, bro. What are you talking about, bro?
Not him. I'm talking about his opponent.
Oh no, his opponent was trying to keep it going. His opponent was trying to keep it going. We had to stop his opponent, nigga.
See, I remember one day the fight happened, right? Two people was fighting. One person snuck one person. And then I guess what happened was the person flipped the person that snuck the person. And now the person that snuck the person is now at the point that now they're using their strength to get back on top of the person that they snuck that's now on top of them. Long story short, the person that snuck the person that was on top of the person that ended up back on top of the person was angry because he felt like right when he had his moment to shine, we took him off the top. Because look, like I'm telling you, the bro that he snuck was able to get on top of him for a little bit, scoop and was able to throw a couple punches, blah, 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 blah.
Because him and his other homeboys used to rolling around, so we know he could.
So now he's able to get on top again, bro. And now we break it up. So that starts a whole little beef within the car. We're driving home. I don't know who mom is taking us home. Probably Polo's mom. And we all in the back, nigga. And it's a nigga in the back like, man, I'll kill you.
It's an angry Boston citizen, nigga.
Long story short, bro. We end up getting off at Swab spot, nigga. Me, Swab, and two other youths got off at his spot. And the one the youth stayed with us. Matter of fact, the youth I'm talking about, the legend that was on top at the end, he's a big realtor today.
No, nigga. I'm pretty sure the whole cast was familiar, nigga.
What you mean?
I'm pretty sure the whole cast familiar, nigga.
Daku.
That's brother, ain't it?
Daku.
Damn, bro.
You was bro. Daku, bro. You know Daku, bro.
I don't, bro.
Damn, bro. You probably don't even know Daku like that.
No, I know, bro.
You know Kevin? Tall, skinny Kevin? He was like an Indian youth.
I always heard these brothers' names, bro, but I never knew them. It's just like the other short brother, that a son on a nigga. I never knew that short brother.
But you just heard his name too.
And I just happened to see him one time, and I was like, "Oh, that's the short brother they're talking about." After our bros, like a lot of bros came after I left. I'm assuming.
Yeah, you was in a Popka, bro. And look, when you was at Evans, I was at Boone. When you went to Popka, I finally came back over here in this area.
So he graduated from a Popka?
No. He just went there for a little bit.
I went there for one semester.
A semester?
Yeah, 2 quarters.
What, first 9 weeks?
2 quarters, 2 of them. I was gone by Valentine's Day because I was upset. I was upset that it was more Valentine's Day stuff than Black history shit. It was no daily updates. It was no nothing, and I was pissed. And all the black folks around me thought I was going bananas. I've always been nuts, bro. All the black people around me was like, bro, it ain't that serious, bro. I'm like, what, bro?
Evans indoctrinated y'all with that blackness.
I don't want to hear about this goddamn weak ass Valentine's Day shit. Y'all hanging all these shits from the balconies and.
So what you saying though?
I ain't seen a nigga yet, huh?
Empress said you was tripping. I think she's saying.
Nah, bro. I would hope not.
Empress, what you saying?
He was indoctrinated with that.
What do you mean indoctrinated?
Evans has that culture of black power, black pride.
Nah, this is Black History Month.
Shout out to Evans, nigga.
Black History Month. It's goddamn Black History Month, and it was Valentine's Day. They was doing Valentine's Day shit. So I don't understand why it wasn't.
When did you become so passionate about Black history and all their accolades and stuff? Like, when did that become a thing of importance to you? Like, what grade?
That shit really is regular.
But I'm saying, like, did Evans ever do anything that you felt like a Popka should have been doing to, like, inform people on Black history and so on and so forth? Like, what could have a Popka done to appease your need for more Black history stuff? What could they have done?
Well, first of all, when I was in history class, the one white girl couldn't never said that goddamn Abraham Lincoln looked like a black man because he was dirty. That's the first thing, nigga. Their whole culture over there is fucked up, man. It's a weird culture, and I'm not used to being around those people. So maybe they was doing nothing wrong, but but they just gave it up kind of weird to me. They gave it up kind of, and it was one black girl who had a problem with that statement that Shorty said. Because I'm a man, so I wasn't really gonna turn up on her ass, but the Shorty turned up on her.
What did Shorty told her? Abraham Lincoln on dirty.
She's like, hey, bro, what equates dirty to black? what made you equate? She's like, no, because he kind of looks, rough. And she was like, bro, what? What do you mean he looks kind of rough?
Let your man not shave for a day. We'll see who looks.
Hey, I'm telling you, bro. If I knew anything that I knew now in school, bro, they would hate me. They already hated me because you know what? I was against everything that was wrong, but I didn't know some stuff. Like I remember hearing a lot of stuff and being like, man, what the hell that's about?
I ain't get enough time to become a person out there, bro. I never tried. I told you I hung out with the Zoes who was offered a banana boat, bro. Not a banana boat, a regular boat, bro. I'm not gonna call it a banana boat, but it was fresh from Haiti, bro. It was no like they needed. Well, they didn't need, but they was probably in Esau and everything. I couldn't communicate. I couldn't communicate with them or nothing. Only thing Brady say, bro, you seen Zoe? He said, bro, what's Zoe? Bro, I don't know what Zoe.
Yeah, that's good question.
Don't know what Zoe, bro.
What would you even imagine a banana boat looking like?
I have no idea, bro. It looks like a canoe. It looks like a canoe.
So a canoe boat, or is a banana boat? Like, why is it a banana boat? Because
it canoe. You heard me.
So why y'all call a canoe, but a banana boat a banana boat?
Bro, I didn't think that we called a banana boat.
So who called it a banana boat?
It's a stigma.
It's a stigma, exactly.
From the islands.
I think a brother said that in the song.
That's the boat, nigga.
That's why I said I don't want to make it a banana boat theme, but it was some boat. It was a boat. Maybe it was a plane.
It could have been a cruise ship.
On banana boat, how we came over.
He was just off of that bitch. I couldn't understand this brother. This brother couldn't understand me. And he had to be. I can only imagine how he felt having to be around them folks, because he's going to end up with He's going to end up with one of them accents that I say a lot of Haitian people end up with. I can see why.
White polite accent.
I can see why.
Wait, why can you see? What do you see? What are you saying? Why do we end up with proper English?
Because I don't. Shit, being brought up in that kind of environment with no folks, bro. You coming from fresh over there, and these the first folks that you interacting with, bro, and they talk like this. You ain't got no choice but to talk like that because you want to learn how to talk. You want to learn how to talk.
Fuck around, not talk about shit. Nigga, tell me I need to talk. I'm just
and then the other bro's gonna end up being a bro that never like Yanko. They're gonna end up like Yanko. You feel me?
Shout out to Yanko, nigga. I be chilling with Yanko. Yanko's my guy.
How Yanko talk now? How Yanko talk?
He don't talk proper.
He don't talk slang either.
He gotta speak English because they call him Yanko. That nigga Yank.
You got Yanko fucked up.
What they call him Yanko for?
Listen,
this ain't your name.
Yo, you got Yanko all the way.
He is the opposite of a Yank.
Nah. Shout out to Fat Dollars. When I see Fat Dollars, I think of Yank.
But Yank more Yank than Fat. And Fat.
No, stop saying Yank though, because it's fucking the people listening to the cast.
Listen, man, and Fat it out, but that nigga there,
Fat is fed it out, bro. Empress, you know Fat it out. That's what I'm telling you. Fat man is personally. Yanko is probably some shit that they say over there. It's not like
right. Yanko. It's not Yanko. It's Yonko.
Like what the fuck is Yanko? Man, you know Yanko ain't even nothing that we are saying in English. Man, Empress trying to fuck with me in your school. Who the fuck would even call it that, bro? Man, you Yanko. What? What the fuck that mean?
Come on, man.
Bro, are you a Yank? Nah, bro, you Yanko. Nah, man, we fucking. Bro,
these are the brothers that came over
man,
here.
Bro, we bullshit, bro. We screaming out Yanko shit like Yanko.
These
bro.
are the.
I'm still saying that, bro. This is a real person, bro.
These are the brothers that came over this bitch probably 8th, 9th grade, and that's all they know.
Bro, when I don't know if y'all Scoop, you see?
Man, what about Z-Wing?
Man, we gotta play that shit for Scoop real quick. Go find that shit while you're in the background. Find it on this computer though, because it's gonna fuck us up if we play on anything.
I don't know how y'all played all that Reese money, bro. That nigga got me banned earlier.
Reese who?
Reese Youngin.
When we play that?
The other day.
2 seconds?
Y'all played all that. Well, y'all played 2 seconds, but I played some other shit today.
Oh, they be hating on it?
UMG, nigga. No, Warner Brothers.
Yeah, we don't fuck with none of those two bros.
They blocked it, but they unblocked them.
Nah, we don't fuck with none of those bros.
But yeah, we take them out now.
Both of those bros you brought up, Scoop.
Matter of fact, let me check my emails, bro. Tell me now, bro.
Nigga, get off the couch and be like, yo, you know they stopped me.
You know they just shut down my YouTube account, bro. What?
Bro, they hit me and Empras with one of the most severe charges, bro. That's what I'm saying. They ain't serious. What you want here looking for?
Z-Wing.
All right.
Yeah, but Scoop, we either crop it out or they undo it. They see how cool we is now. Yeah, we can use their music. They can use our music, and they turn it to yellow, so we can't monetize the video. But our video is no longer blocked.
Them folks shouldn't be doing stuff like that, man.
Yeah, nah, they weird. I'm telling you, bro. Once we get our numbers up, that's what I'm telling you. People need to do their support, and once we get our numbers up, Scoop, to where
we want to do,
bro. I'm telling you, bro. I'm telling you, nigga.
Niggas going wild shit on this shit, bro.
So that's why a lot of times I don't really even stress too much about them hitting me, but for them to be blocking the videos, that's weird. I'd rather them hit me up and be like, yo, you want to mute these parts? And I'd be like, yeah, mute that shit.
Listen, bro, it's so fucked up out here, bro. Somebody said Trick said Beyonce couldn't sing. A nigga said the same thing on the comment. Instagram said it seems like this contains false information. I was bro, how can you tell somebody that their opinion on somebody's singing skills is false? Who does that, bro?
We seen wilder shit, bro.
No more critics.
No shoes, tout vite nous monter n'a juice, capote cob, ça des blues. I'm a blood but I fuck with the blues. Vite. En l'habitation, les meilleurs les jeunes, ballon 12, les remets j'aime vibe créole, ils sont pep, là ça son news, son top, jacket moi son blues, nigga you lose. 1K no shoes, tout vite nous monter n'a juice, capote cob, ça des blues. I'm a blood but I fuck with the blues. Vite. En l'habitation, les meilleurs les jeunes, ballon 12, les remets j'aime vibe créole, ils sont pep, là ça son news, son top, jacket moi son blues.
They got the bar though when he said the book back. What you say, the man outfit terrible?
But that fit is crazy, bro.
What fit?
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, the top Versace shirt with the bottom plaid pants.
Oh my god, bro. I remember when I learned that lesson, bro. The nigga told me, bro, you can't rock plaids with stripes, my nigga.
Scoop, you know what I did?
Nah.
You know what I did when a nigga told me that?
What you did?
I wore a blue striped shirt. I wear my cargo pants, which is basically like plaited type pants, and I wore some plaited Chuck Taylors. Who gonna tell me I can't wear what? I have my shirt open like a motherfucking you feel me, like an African god. You feel me? I had 2 buttons down, Scoop. You know, it's a button-up shirt. I buttoned it up. I buttoned it up.
So ham, bro.
Bro, because somebody said you can't do that. And Scoop, it didn't match, but my shoes was carpet blue, and my shirt was carpet blue. It was like a weird look.
You had to do it.
I gotta show y'all that. It was nothing else to wear it with. Scoop, it sounds stupid to tell me that this ain't even a swag. It's nothing else to wear it with.
Man, my stripes used to look Jamaican. My Z stripes used to look Jamaican, bro. I was wilding with my stripes.
Your Z stripes used to look.
I had thin plaids and big stripes.
Man, that man had a chick twerking, bro. Butt looked so crazy, Scoop. Scoop, a butt cheek looked so crazy, bro. I don't know if I can play a butt cheek on your job, bro.
Yeah, you can.
But block yourself, bro.
No.
Nah, bro, I got it, bro.
No, because my mouse is the one controlling it.
Bugatti. Let's go. Hey. I'm a blood, but I fuck with the blues.
Man, who thinks that looks attractive, bro?
What, this type of butt?
Haitians that don't know any better. They're like, got that Buddha.
Maybe it look good in some different pants, bro. Like, what's
that shit look terrible.
Bro, I'm always asking Empress, bro, like, don't people know how they look?
No.
What, bro?
Clearly not, bro.
Oh, you saying clearly not based on the way they give it up still?
Man, we see shit. Sakari.
Bruh, do you remember this bruh, the skinny girl who had a comfort, the skinny girl who was dating the bruh who was dating our bruh? You called that. You called that.
The skinny girl that's dating the bruh.
Our bro was possibly handing off the ball if he ever got in the game. He was going to hand the ball off to this brother. And this brother was going to hand his bit off to him.
He was a skinny bro.
He was a short, buff, running bro.
All right, what are you saying?
His old one, the skinny bit, skinny bit. She was on Facebook doing skinny shit for a while. I was like, bro, this shit looks so weird. But I know she know it'll look weird because she making fun of it.
What you mean you making fun of it?
Bro, she was doing weird shit, bro. Like opening her legs and clapping them real quick, but she mad skinny. So she looked like a chicken wing on that bitch. And I know, and she's laughing. She's trying to go viral, bro. It was TikTok and all that shit. She was trying to go viral, bro.
So
but it's like at what risk, bro?
See, you talking about a different skinny bro, because I knew a skinny bro that was with one of our bros. So maybe I missed one of the lingos you threw me. So maybe you threw me a skinny bro with a skinny bro within a skinny bro that was with one of our bros. I'm talking about a skinny bro that we knew that was a skinny bro from skinny school, meaning in middle school, that was also skinny in high school. Posted shit.
So dark, jacket when so blues, nigga you lose. 1K on shoes. Tout vite nous monter dans juice. Chaque côté club, t'as des blues. I'm a blood but I fuck with the blues.
Marina Sunset Records.
It's the second part to this same video right here. These same brothers doing it. This it's the BKT bro. Like you said, the sniper BKT shit. Click on that, John. Yeah, these brothers right here. I want you to hear the second part to this job, or the first part, whatever part this is, nigga. Yeah, but it's one of these two top jobs. They gotta be, nigga. I'm a blood that I fuck with the blues.
Si check à tourner Bugatti. Pack up et l'on met poché pour garder. Quand moi sonne numéro inconnu. Combien me cache une cassette pour yon body? Ouais, soleil à minuit, pas de wap changer port. T'as plein le poussé si m'te ka changer non. Bateau arrivé, mago à livrer. Maillot chami, n'a fait un maqueton. Son checké Johnny Deng le dormi. Slide. Si checké à tourner Bugatti. Pack up et l'on met poché pour garder. Quand moi sonne numéro inconnu. Combien me cache une cassette pour yon body? Ouais, soleil à minuit, pas de wap changer port. T'as plein le poussé si m'te ka changer non. Bateau arrivé, mago à livrer. Maillot chami, n'a fait un maqueton. Son checké Johnny Deng le dormi. Slide. Si checké à tourner Bugatti. Pack up et l'on met poché pour garder. Quand moi sonne numéro inconnu. Combien me cache une cassette pour yon body? Ouais, soleil à minuit, pas de wap changer port. T'as plein le poussé si m'te ka changer non. Bateau arrivé, mago à livrer. Maillot chami, n'a fait un maqueton. Son checké
MAGI na Sunset Records.
Bugatti. A Bugatti. The nigga say, nigga, he gonna pull up on Johnny Dang, slide in the Bugatti, nigga, with the Bugatti thing. I don't know who said that, bro. I'm wildin', bro.
That's what Kodak say.
Huh?
You know, he fought with Johnny.
Oh, so Kodak love Johnny.
You know, I fought with Johnny. You know, Johnny get that bit right. You know, name. You know,
what that is you doing?
That's how he was talking about. That's how he was talking when he first got his shit shaved down by Johnny.
So everybody love Johnny.
Everybody love Johnny, bro.
What about Charleston though? You feel like people feel like that about Charleston?
Come on, bro.
What you mean?
We just heard Charleston. Oh, you think everybody love Charleston?
Yeah.
No, Reese called him a crackhead.
Who?
Reese. Young Reese.
Who young
Little Reese?
Reese that got shot?
Yeah, bro.
Huh?
Yeah.
You say he said that?
Yeah, he said, I don't know this crackhead. Why he's speaking on me? Because I guess Bruh said that Bruh should stop rapping and be an inspirational speaker.
Because he be getting his ass wet up. He's a wet up king.
Man,
like
Candy Cam.
You feel me? What about this one?
It's like that nigga take bath with bullets. Get involved, you feel me? Get involved, got him playing dodgeball with bullets. I got the sawed off hoodie and the Sean John. Go ahead.
Who is you? Who is you? Who is you?
Why you feel about this like this?
I was telling y'all about this last
This is when you were telling us about.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see you ain't bringing it up, so I ain't know if this is exactly one, but I figured that. I was like, man, was talking about something really good. So what you were saying though?
I was saying like I wonder what they said to bro. Like,
that's
why a bloodhead was probably like, man, shut up before I call my crip nigga over here. Get on your ass.
No,
some niggas live in some niggas live by different goddamn codes, bro. You can't just say anything to anybody, bro.
No. I need an explanation. So, Empress, what you saying? How you feel about this? Are you able to say anything? What's up?
Get you one stressor. No, but hey, I'm telling you, bro, y'all out here in these streets, bro. The streets is everywhere outside of your house, bro. Like, you can't really protect yourself, bro, because you can't walk into a restaurant with a gun on you, bro, unless you go through a whole system of stuff. So, yes, you put your life in other people's hands every time you step outside your door, bro. And all I can say is, bro, protect your life.
Get you some of them big pockets like Scoop, man.
And keep your network.
What you mean the big pockets?
Bro, I told you one time, bro, I went to my sister's birthday shit, and I felt the situation was weird. I came back with some bigger pockets, bro.
Oh, so you should start the bigger pocket podcast.
The bigger pocket podcast, bro.
And we just talk about cannons because we need to start going to the range a lot more, man. We need to go to some of these country ass areas, bro, and be able to get some, just some free land just to be shooting some shit. I told you I met a white boy that told me that it's a spot that we can go, but the way he described it, he was like, "Yo, it's niggas shooting towards you. You shouldn't do."
Yeah, bro. I don't want to hear no. Niggas ain't finna Dick Cheney me, nigga.
Nah, they're not really shooting that. But
they got the 50 cal.
It's set up so weird, bro. I hope they got a 50 cal. So we done. But hey, shit set up so weird, Scoop, where he was like, he's letting you know that there's areas that you're not supposed to be at, but you may not know. He was saying so much so that he was in the wrong area one time.
And he ran.
I'm like, man, how the hell you end up in the wrong area, bro? Right. You know about this situation.
Right.
So, yeah, I seen that shit the other day, bro, and I was like, bro, that is fucking the wildest shit, bro. Imagine me and you, because I was watching Black Rambo.
And Twister. A 50 cal. Man, she been shooting good all day. So I said,
Oh,
look,
I seen
you gotta
this
shoot
shit.
the spot. Hold on, let me get my phone.
What
out.
happened
Hold
to
on,
it?
I won't hold my phone.
She gonna bang
Hold
herself,
on, let me get
nigga.
you right quick.
I immediately
Hold
thought
on, you
about
got
you
it?
though, because
Hold on, I
you
don't
got
want
the
this stuff right here.
gun.
This all,
You
all
ain't got
of
the
it,
50 cal. What this
yeah.
is? This,
I got a 4.5, but I also got a shotgun.
Somewhere. Buckle that sucker somewhere. I
That
don't know.
bit
Yeah, hold
harder.
it tight
That bit
now.
harder than the 50.
Whenever you're ready, Agent
yeah,
9, hold it.
sure.
Remember what I said? Yeah, there you go. Yeah, hard. You ready? Squeeze it hard now. Yeah. I got it. Nah, you ain't got to do that. If you want to, you could. It'd be easier.
Oh, that's Yee?
Hold it tight now.
What, bro?
Real tight. Remember what I said? No, that's what I'm talking about. You did it. Look, your
Bro,
face
you said, is that who?
Your face is like, why this dude put this
Oh,
in
that
my
ain't
hand?
Yee.
Your face like, why
Who
this
is
dude put this in my
Yee,
hand?
bro?
I got it.
You ain't see this video, nigga.
No, I did. And that's why I'm looking at her like, bro, was that actually Yee the whole time?
That look like Yi and then Naomi Osaki.
Bro, how
Right.
the hell do that look like Yee, bro?
Nah, if you didn't wear no
But-
makeup. Or if
Well,
you
he
see
said
her like-
Angela. He said Angela. But Yee got that same exact face.
Agent 99, bro.
What's
This
that?
girl is probably definitely Asian and black, for sure.
Agent 99, bro.
That's her name?
That's what he kept on calling her, bro.
I thought he was saying Angela.
Look, and you got the homie, Agent 99.
Damn.
I gave her a 50 cal.
He clearly
Man, she
said
been
it.
shooting good all day. So I said, look, you gotta shoot this monster. Hold on, let me
He
get
put
my
emphasis,
phone.
he put emphasis on it.
Hold on, let me get you right quick.
99.
Hold on, you got it? Hold on, I don't want this thumb right here. This all of it, yeah. Rip it, but just
Dude,
keep your thumb
but
somewhere. Buckle that
all
sucker
this type
somewhere.
of coaching to fuck
I
you
don't
up,
know.
though.
Yeah,
But
hold
niggas
it
say, yo,
tight
move
now.
your thumb down.
Whenever you ready,
Yo,
Agent
put
9,
your
hold it.
finger under the bottom
Remember
of
what
the
I said?
gun.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, hard. You ready?
Hold the bottom of the gun, bro.
Is it hard now? Yeah.
Look, like
Nah,
she
you ain't gotta
loose it
do
back
that.
up.
If you want to, you could. It'd be easier.
She gonna fire loosely.
Hold it tight now. Real tight. Remember what I said? No, that's what I'm talking about. You did it. Look, your face didn't look
Hey,
like
you
your
know
face
she
didn't
wasn't
look like,
listening because she
your face
shot
like,
when
why
he
this
was
dude
telling
put this in my
her
hand?
what to
Your
do.
face like, why this dude put this in my hand? I got it. I got it.
You ain't gonna shoot
Agent
yourself, shawty.
99. Another one bites the dust.
Hey, and I only
Another
put one in there for that exact reason.
With the homie, Agent 99. I gave her a 50
My barrel a
cal.
little longer
Man,
than
she
that
shooting good
though.
all
Oh,
But bro,
so
when you put that shotgun shell in it, that bitch another monster, bro.
but you saying the recoil is still not that bad though?
Nah, the recoil
because-
terrible on that shotgun shit.
Hey,
The
Chisholm
four-
in here, bro.
The
Chisholm
4.5
trying to
is
say something
sweet.
again this time?
Mm-mm.
Chisholm, man.
What up, man?
Bro, you been smiling all night, bro. Was anybody able to get in contact with you in the back channels?
Nah.
Damn, a nigga asking about me now. A nigga asking about me now.
Hey Chisholm, how you doing, man? What's going on?
Nah, man, you know I'm out here cooling.
The market's scaring you. What's going on, bro?
Hey, bro, listen, bro. That's why you gotta have a diverse portfolio.
What else you in?
Max.
Nah, I mean, shit, bro. You
Hey.
gotta get it. You gotta get it out the mud. Blood in hand. You feel me?
Hey,
That's it.
I thought about you the other day, G. You know why?
Nah, what happened?
A chicken bro was running.
Mm-hmm.
I was doing some trading and I was like, man, let me get in this stock right here and see if I can make some money. It was Sanderson's Farm.
Yeah.
That's the name of it?
Yeah.
Yeah, they were doing good the other day, nigga. I don't know if you've seen anything from them, but yeah, they was doing Chisholm be talking about these.
I still ain't touched my joint.
Oh yeah, you just got your ass.
Like, bro, they say I could touch that band 2055, and I'm like,
but you should be calm by now, bro.
And then I'm like, it be getting tempting from time to time, but I know that.
But you should be calm by now, bro.
Hey, that's my new drop, man, for everything, man. Every time I hear somebody talking, I'm like,
you should be calm by now, bro.
What?
Yo, you should be calm by now, bro. Yo, everybody getting worked up in these times, bro. We should be calm by now, bro. The market leveled back out. What BTC at, man? Let me check on BTC for y'all. But Chisholm, you were saying something, OG. Oh, but hold on. You saying you can't touch it till that?
No, I can touch it way before, but it just be like, You know what I mean?
Bro, how much shares they gave you, bro, of your shit, bro? Because 2055, bro, how you know your shit gonna be around, bro? What they do to you if your shit die?
Oh, nah, bro. That's why I check on that bad at least once a week.
Some shit that you're supposed to hold to 2055.
Hey, bro.
You want that bitch every week.
I'm a consistent, bro. I be trying to see. I be like, how much in there?
I never look at it. 2055.
Bro, imagine how long you gonna be looking at that bitch every day.
Hey, bro, listen, bro. I have one thing I know I gotta do for certain every week. You feel me?
Look at it.
And it's an app like you can use to look at that bit too. But then you can always cash that shit out.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm trying to make sure like it hit to a certain get to a certain point before I take it.
Oh, but if you cash out, you don't get that. You don't get that security that they're supposed to give you. Because I think if you stay into that time, it's the percentage of the shit you're supposed to get, bro. I don't know how they do it for that, but I know for like retirements and things like that. If you retire before whatever age they put, you only get a certain percentage of whatever you thought you was gonna get. That's why a lot of people stay into those older ages.
True.
So I was trying to figure out, nigga, if they telling you're supposed to get out 2055, nigga, to be jumping out anytime in 2020s, nigga, they gonna penalize your ass.
There's ways you can do it without getting penalized, especially like back then in like North Carolina when COVID first hit. I believe you still can.
Yeah, that'd be fly. It's fly. I tell you, that's why I was looking into the Roth IRAs and things like that, because I feel like that'd be the best way to really do any of that stuff, nigga. If you're doing any type of investment, as far as with your you know, they give you a 401k. And matter of fact, it's another one. I bet y'all never even heard about this, because I know we always talk about 401k. Let me just let me see if I can find it real quick, bro. This shit is fucking weird, bro. Shit weird. Y'all probably never heard of it.
I've seen this shit.
Why you looking in the market? Unbothered.
Stone face, bro. Stone face, bro. I don't. You feel me? A lot of people they get shaken. A lot of niggas is shaking right now, bro. Niggas like, yo, yeah, you feel me? I gotta get out of here, bro. I gotta get out of here. It's like, where you going though? You gotta put your money back in the fiat.
Mm-hmm. Why you always over there? Why you even came over here?
Bro, I've been telling my wife, I'm like, bro, I don't want to bang on them too hard, bro, but I don't want them over here because what they doing is fucking shit up, bro.
No, let something else. Let them get another shit, bro. It's gonna be some other shit coming soon, bro.
All right, this 401k is 413B. Y'all ever heard of 413B, bro?
Hey, this is how you gotta break out of your 401k.
Yeah, man. Yeah, bro. Yo, man, Rolly in the building, bro. Hold on, can I find Rolly, bro? Yo, Scoop, like, how much niggas can play with you?
Rolly took Chisholm's spot.
Okay. What you said, bro?
I said Rolly took Chisholm's spot.
What you mean? Oh, you
Chisholm ran.
Bro, you know Chisholm been running all night, bro. I don't know what's wrong with Chisholm connection, bro. But Scoop, bro, what if you in the store and a nigga put a box over your head, bro? Like, how much can somebody play with you as a grown man, bro?
Bro, I was in the store and a nigga hugged me, bro.
Huh?
I don't think it was a prank though, but I was so high I didn't know how to respond.
Man,
I didn't know what to do, bro.
Cause Scoop slipping.
Man. I don't think I got caught slipping those, bro. Cause how would I respond, bro? Get your bitch ass off me, bro. Like,
yo, Rolly.
Why would I have gave bro that kind of energy? It was an older black brother.
Why is he hugging you, nigga?
I have no idea, bro. But how do you give? What do you give somebody energy? He asked me a question, I answered it for him, bro. He was appreciative. He gave me a hug instead of a high five, bro. And I was high out of my mind, so I was slower than the fuck on my feet.
Me and
Dubs be on here live.
Hey, Scoop, it's another
Behind you.
one. It's called 457B.
It's called Black
Hey,
Privilege.
Scoop, what if a nigga hit you with some shit like this?
Balance challenge. Interlock your hands. Push down. Now look at the bottom of your feet behind you. Aye.
That's hilarious, bro.
Got him.
If a nigga catch me like that, a nigga just got me, bro. If you got me, bro.
I got the best producer in the world with mine right now.
Hey, shout out to Rolling, nigga. Hey, you get some work in.
Yeah, putting that work in, man. Bro, making the beat right now. I just told him another song. I told him the first song I told him was Closer to My Dreams. He sampled that bitch, made a raw ass beat. Then now I just told him No More Drama by Mary J. Blige. He doing
your boy sampled that one.
He going stupid on that bitch.
Mook sampled that Closer to My Dreams.
Yeah, we sampled that Closer to My Dreams. First time. It's that Mary J. Blige, No More Drama. He just getting the little parts he finna do right now.
Hey, that's legendary, bro. I'm telling you, bro. Hey, and that's why the creative process so pure, bro. When you sitting around that shit, bro, you able to, you feel me, watch that shit develop, bro. Man, Scoop, that's your whole vibe, right, Scoop?
You know it.
It's like a nigga creating that bitch around you, nigga, and you like, yeah, that's what the fuck I'm talking about. Cause I be even hearing how you feel me, how you get inspiration. So I could imagine you just sitting around with a producer and him, you feel me, picking some shit out, pointing some shit out that you may not even thought of. You feel me? You put him on a song, and he like, bro, you heard this little drum right here, this little hi-hat, crazy. You heard this hi-hat? You feel me? Some shit like that.
Yeah, I think that shit is crazy. I'll be listening to how them niggas be talking. I'll be like, bro, how the fuck you knew that? Like, ain't that one drum from Big Pun, goddamn crushing? Bro, what, bro? Like, I know how to recognize a beat, a sample, but
a pattern.
You heard right. I know how to recognize a pattern, but nigga, you heard the goddamn snare, but that's that snare from that 60 song. That Betty White song.
That's crazy, bro. I'm telling you, bro, and I'm telling you, that's what niggas be missing, bro. That balance, cuz I'm telling you, bro, just imagine how fucking perfection, like that right there is it, bro. Because this whole shit got started off some shit like that, where you was hearing a record and you was like, bro, that motherfucking snare drum will go crazy with this kick. I'm telling you, bro, Scoop, you can fuck around, use 30 different songs, bro, just to get one complete song, bro. We got it easy, bro. I'm thankful for it, bro. But what is it?
He got one of them big bros that you was speaking on.
Oh,
with the big belly.
Hey, Rolly like cold shits though, man. What that's about?
Oh yeah,
bro?
I can't do it. I can't do it.
Rolly don't like it.
I like my shit just how I like my water.
Room temp.
Come on.
Hey, I heard a nigga come over here the other day selling me out, bro. You ain't got no room temp water, bro. I know a lot of. Chisholm. You gave Chisholm some room temp shit the other day?
Nah, but if he come over here, he gonna get room temp though.
Water room.
All right, because he was selling my ass out.
You ain't had no room temp water, bro?
No, he was selling me out because I had room temp water. He was just saying, bro,
no.
I'm hoping you're not one of them niggas walking around with a bunch of room temp water.
Bro, my water's never reached the refrigerator, bro. They just like your shit, bro. It's in the exact same spot down there.
Facts, nigga.
I pick them bitches off. I pick them bitches off as I need.
Oh God, no.
Real.
4-5 of them.
For real.
Hey, Rolly, so how the creative process is? So like right now, what you getting into the creative process?
I'm getting into the crib, bro. Like I done me and him done made about what, like 5 beats so far for this project. One of them bitches, bro. I know you gonna fuck with it, so because it's your vibe. It's like,
man, yeah.
That's the one you got to talk about the other day.
You feel what I'm saying? You probably know the song.
Man,
Feel what I'm saying? The
yeah,
actual
tell
song.
me, bro. I already know it, man.
When you hear that bit, you gonna be like, yo, that nigga stepping this time. Cause it ain't no YouTube beats, no nothing, no buzz, no nothing. Nigga, the dog making that bitch right in front of me, nigga.
Mm-hmm.
Bro, ain't that bitch working, nigga.
Man, that shit is legendary, bro. I'm telling you, like, niggas don't really even understand that, bro. But what, bro? I'm telling you, bro. That's like, that'd be like a dream situation, bro. Like I said, you can go on YouTube and you can find beats and you can be like, this shit kind of like my vibe. You feel me? But when a nigga makes some shit your vibe, bro, and you could able to tell him like that, what I want right there, man. Man,
story, bro.
Sky is the limit, bro. Well, hold on. What you saying? Sad story, school?
Sad story for me, nigga.
What happened?
One of my closest brothers I grew up with.
You know the vibe catcher.
Don't know a scoop type beat, nigga.
Hold on, bro. What you talking about, bro?
Swab, nigga. I've been waiting for Swab to send me a scoop type beat for my whole life.
And he said he ain't find one yet.
He never made me a scoop type beat, man.
Bro, I told you, bro, we need to link up with the other brother, bro. We need to get some shit going, bro. The
other brother don't make beats. The other brother make beats too, or the other brother just make the other brother mix and master, yeah?
I don't know, but maybe he just do the remixes. I need to ask him, bro.
But I wanted to do one of them though with him. You feel me?
Yeah, I know for sure he cold on the
remix.
Really
wanted to get on the Am I Wrong? I really want to get on the Am I Wrong remixes. I got a lot of questions I want to ask.
Man, that'd be crazy, bro. Why you bullshitting, bro?
Man, you know I'll go dumb on that my wrong remix.
Nigga, what? Bro, what? Nigga, I'm hearing that shit in my head right now. Man, you asked a bit some shit.
Yeah, I wrote some bars too for that shit the other day.
You ain't got no bars or no shit.
It was another beat though, but I was asking the question though in the song. I was like, bro, I should take this one shit, nigga, and run with it.
Yo, because like, all right, how do you feel about that?
Exactly how my brain is picturing that bitch.
What? Oh, how it sounded?
How he, it's like my brain is connected to his shit, like his shit. Every time
laptop, you plug right now.
It's like my brain was waiting on that to happen. It was like it already happened. You feel me?
Hey,
Fibonacci.
Scoop, you use Fibonacci retracements, bro? You believe in that type of shit on the charts? Let me not say shit, bro, but do you use that type of stuff?
I ain't doing enough research to see if it's proven.
That shit is unproven.
My boy Crypto Jeb fuck with it though.
For real.
Crypto Jeb. He a nice little technical bro.
I like Crypto Jeb on the technical, but
he faster than the fuck.
You should.
You never listen to that nigga talk, nigga?
Oh yeah. I fuck with Crypto Jeb. I was saying like, yeah, we on the same type channel, but what you about to say?
No, I was finna say I fuck with his channel.
Yeah, I like his whole little setup. I like the way he got the other brothers.
I hear violins coming in.
But what about Smay, nigga? You be seeing Smay on that shit, Scoop.
Smay?
Smay.
Damn, Smay the female?
He the fat white boy.
I thought that was I thought his name was Blockchain Boy. Ain't that Blockchain Boy the big nigga?
You talking about the big nigga with the beard?
Nah,
not him. It's another little pale white boy. He's like in the background. He's like a cameraman. He never really come on.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, he's like a fat little
You talking about Jeb? You talking about Jeb? Or you talking about around the blockchain?
Nah, it's on Crypto Jeb's channel.
Okay.
Yeah, it's on Crypto. It's actually his shit. And you know, he got 2 other bros with him. He got the bro sitting right across from him with the great. We always wear jackets and shit. He just sit there and he be like, "Yeah, well, I was saying," and he always doing little challenges, nigga, to see how much time he'll say a word or some shit.
I mostly see Bron around the blockchain, but I've been fucking with him so much on his appearances. I'm like, yeah, let me go ahead and subscribe to Bro. Check him out.
Oh, so you ain't really even check him out too much yet on this channel?
I checked out an episode or 2.
Yeah, but yeah, I don't have too much faith in the Fibonacci retracement because the reason why I'm saying that, as far as I don't know, bro. What they say is everything in life uses Fibonacci sequences, and you know me, I'm even us on this channel, bro. You feel me? We kind of into the spirituality of things and kind of the nature of things, so that makes sense to me. So what you do is you get it from a swing low to a swing high. You're able to get it, but I don't know. It just seems like, because there's no real levels, Scoop, right? So if you choose a different brand, you do a swing high, swing low, you'll get different numbers than me doing my swing high, swing low.
Right.
So I don't really, you feel me? It's nothing that's concrete. Like, me and you can't look at the chart and be like, okay, that's happening. It's just me and you being like, yo, if it dropped these levels, it's going to this level, but it don't go to that level, because I heard everybody talking about it going to these 20 levels and all these levels. I told him this months ago. I was like, bro, before it goes to that 27 or 25, any of these weird numbers y'all talking about, it's gonna try to do the retest for 45. What we did, we went all the way up, and we seen new highs that we didn't see for a little minute. We went all the way to 41. So you feel me? It's simple and it's right there in your face, but the Fibonacci didn't show those levels. You feel me? So I don't. You feel me? I'm gonna use the parabolic stars. I'm gonna use, bro. Like I said, Scoop. Even if we use the Fibonacci, that's just gonna be another tool on top of all the other tools we're using.
Oh yeah, nobody better not be using nothing Dolo, especially that.
Yeah, bro, because that right there is just a guessing game, bro. It's saying, because like, depends on where you choose your swing, bro. That's where your levels come in at. So yeah, I don't really get that point, but I know a lot of going.
I was saying, Rolly, what kind of bros your bro got, bro?
What kind of what?
What kind of bros your bro got? What kind of monitors he got? That been quaking.
What you mean, like speakers?
Yeah, the bitches is quaking.
Nah, this really my home, what you call it, speakers. You know how they got the
soundbar type shit?
Yeah, soundbar shit, bro.
You got a subwoofer with that bitch too, though?
Yeah.
That bitch quaking.
I got the little shit that you put by the TV and the thing that you put back there. And then you got the little sub shit right there, so he just on his laptop. Yeah, man, got the hood up. That bitch quaking. That bitch was shaking the light. The shit on the light.
I heard, nigga. That shit going bananas.
And what? You record at the spot?
No, I haven't started recording here yet because I ain't got my shit yet. Like,
okay,
you know, mic and all that shit. Every time I buy them shits, I be giving them to my little brother and shit. You feel me?
You ever use one of them little puffy bros that everybody talking about? The chaotic eyeballs.
Yeah, one of them bitches.
Yeah.
I already know them bitches expensive though, but yeah, they worth it.
Yeah, I was trying to figure that shit out. That's definitely a good investment. But you're saying you're not really recording at the spot too much like that.
Yeah, I will. I'm gonna get my foot in it because I gotta learn how to record it and put my shit together, all that shit, send to my little engineers and shit to get that shit recorded. You feel me? Because I ain't really got time to be like, you know, just keep paying for, you know, studio time every time. You feel me?
Man, this shit ain't expensive, man.
That shit expensive as hell.
This is $200, man. Y'all boys sent Rolly some goddamn money, bro.
Oh, you talking about a mic?
the chaotic eyeball, bro.
Oh yeah, that's cheap. That's cheap. That's cheap.
Man, that shit expensive, man.
Nah, nigga, expensive is $1,000. Expensive for a mic is $1,000 up.
$200 expensive when you got kids, boy.
Man, not compared to the other prices, bro. Yeah,
not for
bro.
a mic though.
Our mic, nigga, we got luckily, nigga, but yeah, these prices usually $298 and up, bro. They be taxing.
That's still like
the eyeball is what go around the mic, ain't it?
Yeah, and that's all you need. So I'm telling you, you get you a nice little whatever type mic, nigga.
A reflection filter gonna run you about $3, $4.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I was thinking the eyeball cost.
Nah, bro.
But even that's still fair game though.
Nigga, the pop filter, you know they got like the pop filters also. The pop filter is $28, nigga, but the whole little ball
pop filter, this is
that ain't gonna really do nothing for you.
No, pop filter is literally just to stop the pop.
Nah, Scoop. This right here coming with the mic and everything. It's a large blang and mic. Oh no, it might just be the mic capsule.
Bro, ain't no mics out here going for $200, bro. That's them bitches from the pawn shop.
$198 right here, and yeah, just the chaotic eyeball, just the John is $198. So yeah, man, that's a good price, bro, for that puffy, bro, nigga. If y'all saying that bit work like that, somebody got to send that bit a rollie, bro.
Cause look, the Sweetwater microphone, the Newman TLM, that bit $700. You hear me?
Why would? That's a good, bro.
That's probably a decent, bro.
Yeah, I remember when I was looking at my mics, bro. I was.
A decent mic gonna run you.
Nah, 100% fact. A decent mic will always run you, bro. Especially depends on what you're trying to do. Like I said,
you watch the market.
You gotta get an expensive mic out the gate.
You have to.
Mm-hmm. A nice mic, bro. That's the best thing.
You gotta get a nice ass mic.
I'm telling you, bro. Right now, nigga, all I'm waiting on is my boom operator. I'm gonna have my mic all in my mouth. No homo. Like y'all like to say, I'm bullshitting with y'all, bro. But no.
Look, this one is $1,600.
For which one?
A Leewit.
Is that a dynamic boy or a condenser?
It gotta be a.
Yeah. See, bro. You ever heard of the Shuri boys? I see a lot of podcast niggas use that joint. It's a dynamic mic, so niggas can really use that bit for performance and things like that. But I see a lot of like high end podcasts, like a nigga like Joe Rogan or something like that, be having some Shuris and shit.
Well, this bitch $3,000.
What?
This Audio Technica.
Yeah, I don't know when them brothers came out, like when they started getting some credit back.
You know about them?
Yeah, I always heard about them boys, man.
Yeah, none of these, bro. I'm not. Oh, well, here go my bro, AKG.
What is that? That's a good bro.
I think this bro is the AKG. Oh, this is Samson. I think this is Samson. The one of the nigga robbed me for the AKG, probably.
You said a nigga robbed you for what?
Mike.
Oh shit.
Bro, is it me or is Mike always getting stuff? Not.
That nigga Mike always getting his shit taken. I'm just gonna tuck mine in.
That one was
tuck mine in.
Niggas in the world.
No. I only got my shit took twice.
Man, I'm just gonna tuck mine in. Nigga took my shit right.
Everybody still, niggas still, bro. Niggas don't take shit. I would respect it if a nigga took it.
Nigga stole my chain.
I would respect it if a nigga took it, bro.
Right off my neck. Nigga
stealing.
I was like 4 years old.
Yo, bro, that shit happened to me, nigga. I was in Jamaica. I was about 4 or 3, I want to say. And my dad used to always buy me a bunch of gold necklaces and shit. And one day my mom took me somewhere, nigga, and told a lady to hold me down. My dudes came back, nigga. I was chainless, nigga, and sitting down alone.
Damn.
Yes. I could have been gone. I could have been gone, yeah.
The lady got you.
What? She got the fuck out of me. I'm glad she didn't take me. Nigga, she could have made me a fucking slave, nigga.
That's bad, bro.
She evil as hell, but she stole all my gold chain, bro. So yeah, they didn't even stop buying me chains for that reason, because they was like, oh, we fucked up. They stopped buying me because I used to take them off all the time and probably lose them or put them in stupid ass places, stupid shit. Yeah, bro. So coming up, Empress, bro, I've been trying to find myself the whole time, bro. Where am I at, bro? I'm in this little box, bro. Man, this is so hard, bro. Oh, I've been trying to find myself this whole time. Want to run one more video before I fucking slide.
Bro, I'm with you on that, bro. I've been trying to find myself for a long time, and I think I'm starting to get a grip at it.
Good shit.
Bro, niggas be putting their mouth so close to the pop filter, bro. You know the pop filter is for nothing but spit, bro. It's literally to keep the spit from getting your microphone. I be seeing niggas on the pop filter like this, bro. Damn, they're kissing the pop filter.
Why be smelling them calories?
Why you saying that's so wrong though?
Bro, what? Niggas go to public studios, nigga. You don't want to be too close to the pop filter, bro. You want to be right this close to the pop filter, bro. You don't gotta have your shit. I've seen niggas literally put their lips on the pop filter. I think Suave told me to record like that, possibly, bro. You don't want to get too close to the pop filter, bro. You want to be right here by the pop filter, bro.
Nah. Hey, bro.
I don't even be up on the pop filter. Like I literally be like 2 feet back.
You don't have to. You don't have to, bro. Just turn the gain up, nigga.
I don't never get up on.
Turn your motherfucking gain up. These
turn
niggas
the
don't
gain
like gain.
I just be ripping that bitch from.
Hey, you sit down or you stand up?
I stand up. I literally be all over the place, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Like I just be feeling myself, and then once I ad lib, like I'm just feeling myself. I'm just moving around that bitch. I'm not even giving a damn about the mic. I'm just letting that bitch ride. You feel me? Cause I got the headphones in. You know, that's how you know.
Hey, it's cool. You really supposed to be about a fist away from the mic, though.
Come on, I know it.
Joe Rogan taught you that.
I know it. Look at me right now.
Yeah, you about to fist. I'm telling you, bro.
Yeah.
I really got to stick it to his beat.
No, that's why I was letting Scoop know that, bro. Once I get my motherfucking boom operator, bro, y'all gonna see my mic right here in front of me, and I'm gonna be talking like nigga. I'm on Monday night, 11 p.m.
Come on.
I'm speaking to the grown and sexy.
I got so many mics, bro. I wouldn't be knowing which one to use, bro. You know I got this, bro. I think I got this, bro. This for my mobile application.
Huh?
This my mobile, bro.
So you ready to go film like on some public shit?
Scoop ready to go get some public opinions.
And then I got the one. I got the one. This go on the camera, but then I got the one that clip right here. You feel me?
Man, you wild as hell, bro.
What you finna film, a movie?
Bruh.
I'm finna film me. We finna vlog. We finna get vloggy. We finna get vloggy, bro.
Scoop, what do you do in your life that's interesting?
What? What don't I do?
No, I'm just asking.
What don't I do? I do everything, nigga, like I do.
Yeah, the Strawberry Festival.
What don't I do? I
went
do
to the house.
everything.
The Wing House.
You think the Strawberry Festival be the highlight of my day?
No, I'm just saying you go to stuff. So
I talk, man. I talk. Niggas think love and hip hop is interesting. You see this goddamn household.
Yo, you see the household. The Clippers gotta be down 2-0. I don't know, bro.
Suns in 4.
I've been seeing a lot of fights. Scoop, you been seeing these fights?
You seen Masvidal?
I ain't been seeing no fights, but Shaq said he was gonna knock out Ben Simmons lights
for missing all those free throws.
For taking that shit light.
Yo,
saying that fuck shit all on the mic, nigga.
Oh, so nobody didn't like that shit that he said.
What, bro? Shaq said, bro, I would have knocked his ass out in the locker room.
What he said though? How you feel about what he said? What he said?
Bro, from what Shaq said, bro, the man said that he realized that he was off and he didn't fix it.
Man, bro.
He said, bro, if you realize that you was off in game 1 and 2, why you ain't fixing the game 3? Why you had to wait to game 7 to fix it?
The man said, I am who I am and I did what I did. In so many different words, bro. I need to find it as that word because I don't want to lie on the brothers, bro.
So they gave black people a holiday, huh?
Ah, man, they freaked us.
Hey, that's fucked up because you know how fucked up that is because they've been telling us they was gonna do that shit because they basically gave us a month, but they didn't give us a holiday.
What's more fucked up about it is that we've been had the holiday.
That's way more fucked up.
That's what's more fucked up about it, bro. We've been had the holiday, bro. Why did they have to do anything with the holiday, bro? I like when shit ain't recognized by them.
Yeah,
it's our holiday, bro. Like, you know, Cinco de Mayo, bro. That's not a federal holiday, bro. But the Spanish people make it a federal holiday. Niggas damn near think it's a federal holiday, bro. Because they be wilding out.
They green and fuck though. They still ain't signed no executive order for black people.
They never gonna sign no executive order, bro.
Because AAPI is taking over. AAPI is lying niggas say they over. These niggas liars, bro. The AIP, they gotta get away from us, bro. Matter of fact, I'm not gonna bang on them. Yeah. But Scoop, you seen that Jay-Z had to sue the brother Dame?
You know I did, bro. I was in a whole comment fight.
What you was saying? You was saying it was wrong?
I was saying I wasn't even arguing that point. I was just letting them know.
What you was saying?
They ain't finna do nothing.
I was letting them know.
Just giving you little crumbs. Then you bite at it.
Nigga, that's the whole key, nigga. That's why they turn it. They make you more docile. But Scoop, what you just going in on, bro?
Nah, niggas was arguing on that bitch back and forth about if he owned the rights to the shit. And I was like, nah, not really. And I explained to them why he didn't. And I put it in stock form. I was like, bro, imagine a nigga had a stock high as hell. And a nigga was like, yeah, bro, a company going bankrupt. Nigga like, bro, let me get my stock out at this point, bro. I'm out, bro. Nigga get a stock, that shit go down to 0. Then the nigga CEO come back like, nah, I was just bullshit. I was just bullshit.
We still here.
And then he merged up with a whole nother company, nigga. And your homeboys, and I was like, bro, the reason why Biggs don't complain like that, because Biggs was okay with, you know what I'm saying, him turning him into a boss to a worker down there. That's fine, bro. Sometimes you gotta be okay with that kind of shit.
But not all bosses want to be workers.
That's what I'm saying. Dan was like, nah, bro, I'm not coming back, bro. Under these circumstances, that's weird for me, bro. For me to start some shit for you and then now I'm working for you, bro. That's crazy to me, bro. That's crazy to me, bro.
Hey, okay, what's up with Bitcoin, bro? Going down still?
No,
I told you it was gonna go down to 22 before that big rise, like everybody says.
Bro, you're completely wrong, bro. I just told everybody on the cast how embarrassingly wrong that was, bro.
Yeah, Bitcoin was pretty wrong.
Bitcoin went to 41 before it fell back down again, bro. Bitcoin was just at 41, T. Nevertheless,
it really just retested at the same point again. It bounced
the same point, nigga.
29.
33, if not 34.
A little lower. It was 28.50.
All right, so 28.50 is the lowest it went to today, but it's at 34. Man, Empress, can you pull up the screen? Because I don't know, bro. I got to do that.
Told you that bit gonna go down to 22.
Bro, it's not, bro. I'm done.
Before that bit gonna
rise to what? Because I'm telling you, that's virtually impossible. Matter of fact, all right, if you're saying 22. I don't even believe that. Fuck that. I'm never gonna believe
it. 22, then it's gonna
22 is not even a level for it to fall.
Yeah, people are saying 24. I've been hearing 24.
Yeah, 24. If it don't hold the level, but it bounced right off 28, and 28 was technically the lowest before, so it just retested a level and went straight back up. Now it's at 34. So I don't know. People could play with it. People could think they could outsmart the system, bro. People could think they outsmart the Empress. Can you pull up the chart for me? Because I don't know. Because this computer shit confusing, bro. I don't know how they have to find myself and shit now. Shit. But yeah, just let me. Oh, this me supposed to be typing it. I can type. I can type. Yeah, I can type. What I'm gonna be showing you, bro.
No, you can't show Weeble on yours.
Huh?
I got you.
No, I'm not showing Weeble. I'm just showing BTC. I want to show the Coin Market Cap or Coin Gecko, whichever one. All right, so now you already there. Just put that on the screen. So look, Rolly.
Yeah.
Empress, can you go to Weeble also? Because I don't think people understand what I'm showing them. The whole market green right now. Y'all gotta stop worrying about things falling, bro.
I'm on the spot, the fuzz. I'll be selling FUD, nigga. Catch me in the hood selling FUD. I'll be selling FUD, nigga.
Hey, so
you
what
froze up, nigga?
What
You
if
just
what I
stuck
say
like that.
happened for real, bro?
Oh, that nigga froze up for real.
Who I froze up?
Nah, T. I thought that nigga was just looking to the side for a long ass time. What you say? What you saying though? What if it go down to 22?
What if it go down to 22, like I said, and then it shoot up to 70, just like I said?
Oh, that was your prediction.
Yeah.
I mean, that'll be positivity. That'll be positivity, bro. But that level, that 22 level, what's giving you? You said that number just in your head.
I'm telling you that number right there, bro. That's what it's gonna hit.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna hit that number, and then probably damn near a week after that bit hit that number, that bit gonna just start shooting up gradually, shooting up. It's gonna get to 70. It's gonna pause at 70, and it's gonna go past 70.
70, that's a new all-time high. That'll be a new all-time high for that shit. You heard it here, folks.
It's gonna happen.
I ain't mad at you, bro. That bit keep retesting at 28 though. That bit ain't really trying to. Every time it look like it's going to hell with the worst news and the worst FUD that's been coming out. That bit ain't been going below that point. Oh shit!
I remember when that bit was 9,000.
You remember that shit? Yeah, you was that nigga. I don't remember that. I don't remember that, but
right before the pandemic, like a little couple months before the pandemic.
Shit, I wish I would remember that.
But I'm telling you, bro, every time Scoop, I'm like, bro, what? 2019, Scoop. That's what I'm trying to tell everybody, bro. Y'all trying to play this little game, this jump in, jump out ass game. Play it. I
ain't gonna lie. That's low key what I've been playing though. I've been playing that jump in, jump out.
Hey, it's not wrong with it.
Low enough to where a nigga could really buy in and eat if that bitch jump.
Hey, it's nothing wrong with it, but I'm telling you, do not miss your chance to get one of them 21 million Bitcoin. I'm telling you, it's already people that got 92,000 of them.
Nigga, Bitboy just bought 10 today.
He bought 10 Bitcoins today.
Yeah.
I be watching people buying 5 all the time. I'm like, hold on, bro. You just buying 5 for no reason?
Yeah, bro. Why not?
Because them bitches gonna go up.
They are, bro. They already know what's gonna happen. The thing is, they can survive the times that it's not going up. That's why when we come on here, we give people ideas how to trade the market, ways to make money, so that you don't have to take out of Bitcoin. or your Ethereum. You just keep on adding onto those things, bro. Look.
So how do I buy Ethereum? Because I can't buy Ethereum on Cash App.
Nah, see with that you're gonna have to go on. Like me and Scoop love Qcoin, and the reason why is no KYC. And I'm gonna tell you why that's important. You don't have to this is like a side hustle. You don't gotta verify anything.
Mm-hmm.
So Bitcoin at 34 right now.
Mm-hmm.
But once you get that bid, you can take that bid and you can
I should
move
have
that
bought
bid.
in when I seen that hoe at 28.
That's what I just told everybody earlier. If y'all was listening to me, what I'm gonna start doing is I'm gonna start just live trading throughout the day on the John. You know, I'm probably gonna do it for just one day to see what the hell happens.
Say what time you got?
Yeah, I ain't really got no time because I be having that.
I just looked at that bitch today. That bitch was 28.
You be having to look for content and do all the real stuff.
34.
Dads and husbands do.
But look, all right. So, roll you can see this chart right here.
Yeah.
On this chart, what you're looking at is, you see those green circles at the bottom? You see those green circles out there, right?
Yeah.
I don't know how small it is on your screen, bro, but those two little green circles are showing me an uptrend. Scoop, look how tricky this is. I'm just trying to show you another fake out, Scoop.
Sorry.
Man, I want to show Scoop the fake out.
What you saying?
Scoop, see the fake out?
I see the negative candle.
All right, and then you see how it's technically three. It's technically a downtrend now because you see the red on top.
Right.
But immediately 2 Johns after that, so it's 3 parabolic SARs showing you in a downtrend, and immediately after that it flips back into a uptrend in green. And that's
right.
And you feel me, Scoop? That's why I was saying earlier, the fact that we use 2 confirmations to get in the trade, I think we should use 2 to get out.
Mm-hmm.
Because if you would have just used this parabolic SAR, you'd have been like, yo, it's in a downtrend, let's get out. This is another fake out. You're still in a super trend upwards. It's still a green super trend. So until the green super trend ends, then you feel me? I think that's when you should get concerned about your parabolic SARs being in a downtrend.
So listen, why are you saying that? That's what I've been asking you. So because I thought the super trend is just the one little triangle indicator. So where are you seeing that been continue at?
This green line under it.
Aha.
So now if I go back,
that's not RSI. I thought that was RSI. That's something else.
Yeah, that's the super trend. So, thank you. Amazing. Boom, boom, boom. So yeah, right here. And I'm going to show you the opposite, right? So this is the green super trend. It's going to stay in that, right? It's going to stay in that. It's going to stay in this. Just look, it's still in the green super trend. Like I said, the super trend started at 30. You feel me? The parabolic SAR showed you an uptrend at 28. That's when I bought. The
right
super
there,
trend,
right, that triangle right there. Okay.
Yes, this is the beginning of the super trend.
Right.
But now you see, if I go back, you see the red is on top of me now. The red line, not the red circle. The red circle is on top of me too, but the red line also.
That's when the super trend downward started.
Exactly. Hey, but think about this. Look, because I got a couple greens right here, but I'm still in a super downtrend, so I wouldn't buy in that point. You feel me? Nothing in that point say buy, Scoop. So that's telling me that, yo, T, it's another dip coming. So Scoop, when it gets to that 28, when I get that reversal, you feel me? Then I will jump in. Sometimes I may be wrong. So when you get a green, bruh, and like I said, I want it out of my super trend, so I don't really buy greens within the super trend red. That's just not how I give it up.
Right.
Sometimes I may though. If I look at the Arun, I told you this Arun shit down here is super important to me too. But look,
if that bitch ever get to 0 and 100, even if you're in a a negative super trend, you would possibly still jump in.
I would still jump in, but now you look at it, the up is 0 and the down is 57. So why the hell did this fake out start with the parabolic SARS?
Right.
You feel me, school? So that's why we use a bunch of these shits, bro. And that's why I was saying, bro, we at this point now, bro. I don't think we can lose just based on the algorithm, bro. I don't think it's no way possible, and I don't want to. Hey, fuck them. The most
you may not be the super. You may not be the super. You may not be, and that's what crypto what them boys is over there. That's what they were saying, bro. Like, you may not get in at the lowest point, bro, but don't worry about that too much.
Get to a buying zone.
Confirmation.
Right. Don't worry about that too much. As long as you got your confirmation, you can't lose.
You can't, bro. Bro, that's what
lose.
Empress, can we look at a couple plays, see if we can tell them any plays as far as the stop? Matter of fact, I'm over here, so you ain't got to worry about this. Yeah, do your thing, because you might find something over there for me. Let me see if I could say a play for tomorrow. Go to Quicks. Man, I'm telling you, Scoop, this algorithm shit, bro. So goddamn easy.
Hey, you know, Nvidia is doing a split.
Yeah, I heard recently. That's why they ran up, but I seen them take a little pullback.
They're doing a little split.
Okay, that makes sense. Yes, I had noticed that recently. I was like, oh, they got a little pullback too. But let me see if I can Tilray. See, Tilray is up. I wouldn't get in Tilray. How I usually pick them, I usually pick bros that was down the day previously, and I don't say that just for anything. So just don't find anything that was down the day previously. I have a curated watch list of things that I have watched, nigga. That you feel me? That was down the day previously. That the next day, nigga, they up tremendously. So you feel me? So this is kind of a proven method. So I'm not just in here just saying, yo, that he was down this much. Let me just get in that play. Nah, that's not how we jump in plays over here, bro. We're not trying to take L's just for no reason. Unipath. Let me see. This is actually no, because it was in the up. No, hell no. Yeah. They're saying that it's a buy.
So right now, it ain't got no kind of super nothing going on.
Technically, it's still in a green super trend. You see that random green line under the John?
Why it's flat?
Yeah, see, that's the weird thing. It's all right. So look, I can tell you why it's flat.
It's trading sideways.
This momentum, John.
No, it ain't trading sideways.
No. It's the momentum. If you watch the momentum line, it's below the average line, which is usually like around 60 for this John. It looked like it was at 50. So the momentum is super low.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's what it is. There's no momentum in this trade. It'll go up sometimes. Like whenever you see it go up these high numbers, this is momentum being juiced in. But when you see it down to like these 40s, that's why you see the line just so low, even though it's technically in the uptrend. So like even I said I wanted to ask that one day on the cast, like how important the volume is, because that's what this is showing. It's not a lot of volume in this trade. You feel me? So then it just you're technically in an uptrend, and they say you're in a super uptrend.
That's another indicator. That's a basic indicator to look for.
Exactly. So like I said, everything just got to be put together.
Volume,
market cap is super important. And then it's super important just depending on how long you plan on holding these trades too, because that's the main thing me and Scoop kept on saying, as far as like people are in trades that they're talking about holding for long times, that it's like, bro, this is not a long-term play, like based on everything. Like what did you see that
just because it's super low right now?
Like what, you feel me? Like
don't mean that one day it's gonna be super high or even goddamn $1. It don't mean that.
All right, well, I'm looking at, what is this right here, Empress? Just give me the ticker symbol. MIC?
Yeah.
All right. This is a gas. This is a gas, boy. I'm seeing that it's in a super trend down.
Mm-hmm.
But not too long ago, it's just been taken over. So the up is at 100. The down scoop, remember I said the confirmed buy for us for down on the Arun is 0.
Mm-hmm.
Or at least 30. So I wouldn't buy right here. But I'm seeing it go down, and I'm seeing, okay, so the down is losing ground, the down losing ground, and now the up is gaining ground.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm thinking that tomorrow, right, this may be a play tomorrow because of what we're seeing right here. We'll have to wait to see how the candles and stuff develop. But I'm looking at this as being a good play tomorrow. MIC, mark that ticker. Empress, am I able to see Riot?
Scroll up or down? Yeah.
Oh,
Quicks.
Man, our little Facebook friends don't be knowing what the fuck they be missing, cuz.
Oh, bro, every time I be thinking
they're gonna
about
have to come in 5 years from now. But you can close out and make the chart bigger too.
Close what up?
That arrow.
Okay.
They be watching little funny lives with little funny car bros. No funny car bros I ain't seen the buzz in a minute.
Yeah, I don't know what they're doing. But yeah, everything is always weird to me. But we're gonna start trying a couple different things. They were saying as far as boosting the content. And,
it's our fault. It's partially our fault.
Mm-hmm.
It's partially our fault.
So I ain't knocking them as much, but yeah, they weird. Because look, they still get it though. Because look, Scoop, they come up to me, they say, "Yo, I'm seeing it."
Yeah.
So where you at?
No comment, no like, no subscription,
no share, no nothing, bro. God damn! Do I need to boost it?
Nothing.
Do you need to see? Do you need to see it promoted on your junk? Yeah.
I was looking. I went back and looked at all my shits to see like what I was when I was getting my most numbers and shit. Just trying to figure out.
Yeah, me and Empress was just doing that. Empress that she figured out that when you post your stories and different things like that, you need to accompany it with audio and stuff like that.
Mm-hmm.
So like an audio visual type of boy. You don't want to just have like little words, but just like a random picture.
Unless it's a quick little message that you're trying to get out.
Mm-hmm. So yeah, y'all already know we working. Empress, show them the clip, man.
Okay, go.
Come on, let's get out there. Let's get it. Here goes my gear. Let's go! Go! Go!
Sign support, nigga. What? Nigga, me and 5.
Who in 5?
That's what the bro said. That's what the other bro said.
The nigga that ended up getting his ass whooped at the end.
Nigga, us in 5, nigga.
Oh,
nigga, Clippers in 5. Sons in 4. No, you got me fucked up. Clippers in 5, nigga.
But did you just witness what I witnessed? Because I hear you talking, bro.
Definitely.
What you saying about Clippers in 5, bro?
I'm saying that had to be the objection.
Oh, but the Clippers have got mopped.
That was from this night or the night before?
I'm saying this was the night before, but I'm saying in this
that's what
fight.
I'm saying. Yeah, but no, he definitely got mopped. But his response had to be like, "Nigga, nah, nigga, Clippers in 5 because we just lost, but I don't care. Clippers in 5." And bro said, "Nah, I ain't going for that." Boogie, Boogie. Them Phoenix niggas are different, huh?
I tell you, yo, everything is in a super trend upwards. Uniswap is at $18 right now. I tell you, I seen that $7 earlier when I told people to get in. I won on the cast though, so that's fucked up. But y'all didn't get that play. Dot is in a super trend. Link is in a super trend up. Exactly. I might have a play on here for y'all. GameStop is at 220. Bed Bath and Beyond, AMD, crypto Coinbase ain't doing nothing for us, but it's in a super trend up though. If look, Scoop, if niggas listen, they was able to buy in at 210. You feel me? And ride it up to that 223. But yeah, this shit is whack sauce.
That shit whack.
All right, so BTC is taking a beating. Somebody just took out a big lump sum, I'm thinking, because they went to 34.19, well, 34.2. All right, it's coming up on that 3 o'clock time, bro. So yeah, I know we're gonna be watching that. We'll be wanting to stay a little bit longer for y'all, but thank y'all for coming to support us, bro. And we ain't about to hold y'all too long, because you know we don't want to just give away all our juice, bro. School, I be thinking about we be giving a lot away free juice, bro. So hey, hopefully, you feel me? Hopefully all this stuff just come back in the future and niggas be like, bro, I remember when them boys used to just be on here just thugging it out, nigga. Cause like I don't even they understand it. Niggas ain't gotta give it up like that, bro. A lot of people,
this is our contribution to society, bro.
Man, bro. And we be giving actual plays.
Fight. So we don't gotta niggas ain't gotta access to go protest, march, nothing.
All that weirdo shit, bro. I'm telling you, bro. None of that weirdo shit, bro. You can actually come on here and get your bag.
We finna put you in a position to fucking own some of the companies that you got a problem with.
Look, bro, we telling y'all the indicators is not. I'm telling you, bro, a lot of these people, bro, going their John, bro, they be having so much shit they want to send you to their website and things. Bro, we don't need to do that. But like I said, bro, we about to we have the Reddit. I'm still in contact with a brother right now with the subreddit page, man. Some random brother. Let me not sell him out because he come on the cast and he be like, man, you know that bro say he sold you out. But anyways, somebody already got the name, Scoop. Somebody randomly tried to use the name, bro. The Black Wall Street Bets boy.
Oh, you trying to get in that bit? You trying to get on Reddit with it?
Yeah. We have the Wise Magi on there. You feel me?
I'm on Reddit, man.
Yeah, hey, so make sure you follow the Wise Magi. It's Wise_Magi_Godcast on Reddit. Make sure you follow that boy. Yeah, make sure you follow that boy because I post all the casts in there, bro. I go in there before the cast and after the cast, nigga, and post all the casts in that bit. I post like 4 or 5 daily. So if you in there, and what I'm trying to do is get our Karma Johns up, because I was telling y'all that what we're gonna do is we're gonna be going live from that. We're going live from motherfucking IG. So I'm telling you, bro, we're just conquering this whole map, bro. But tomorrow, I told y'all, MIC is what we're watching, and like I said, the whole cast be telling y'all that Bitcoin is in a super trend, and it's in an up right now. All right, so the RSI is saying that it's top, bro. It's a lot of momentum. It's a lot of momentum right now. It's a lot of momentum.
Long story short.
Yeah, it's a lot of momentum, bro. I can show it to y'all right now better than I can tell y'all. You see that? Those arrows going upwards right there? That's the momentum, bro. That's my UOS. I'm telling you, Scoop, I'm charting everywhere, bro. It's not that we just pulling up on the laptop because we doing something special for the show. No. Scoop, I'm telling you, Scoop, the shit's so crazy. Let me show you the Arun. Let me show you the Arun, bro. How the Arun look. You see that Arun? The Arun is the bro crossing over each other. It's the blue and gold, bro, crossing over each other a lot.
Right.
You see that? This is not a safe time to get in this play, but we know that it's in an uptrend. So right now we're riding this play out. We're riding it for everything it got. Everything it got, Scoop, because look, the super trend started at 28. So we don't care about it going to 34.111. We don't care about it going to 30. You feel me? We're not worrying about that right now. we are still in a super trend upwards, bro. Even if we gotta take a even if we gotta wait till they get to 33 to confirm a sell, Scoop. If you one of those weird trading niggas to confirm a sell, bro, I would rather wait for that confirmation in the downtrend. Right now, everything look fucking beautiful, bro. Every time, look, bro, we just went and set a new high at 34,397. Every time, bro, there's a pullback. There's a shootout right now. It's at 34,142.
Mm-hmm.
You feel me? So we coming up on that 3 o'clock time, bro. Like I said, we holding these levels amazingly, bro. So hey, tomorrow we're gonna see what happened. Let's see what happened.
Yeah.
Alrighty, guys, and that is the conclusion of episode 88 of Black Wall Street Bets Taco Tuesday. Until next time, peace.